A lovely hello to all my 10 champion. How are you, champions? My lovely kids. So as I promised you guys, I have come up with second top 100 part 2 session today. So in this session we are going to solve 50 more questions. Yes. Radhe sir, hi. Amit, how are you? Sonu is there, hi. Gabbar is back, very good. So am I audible to you guys? Give me thumbs up, just confirm me as I'm audible and I'm clearly visible to you everyone. Yes. My voice is clearly reaching to you guys? Okay. So as you know, in yesterday's live session, we did 50 questions, most important PYQs and most expected question. So as I promised you guys, in today's live session, we are going to solve 50 more questions, and the combination will be of top 100, which is our heading. So in this session will be solving 50 more questions today. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this session. Yes, clear. Yeah, very good. Thank you so much. Yeah, I joined. Very good. Okay. So my lovely kids, I think without wasting a moment, I should start because 50 questions are here. So very good. I hope you guys are enjoying. You guys all are preparing for your board exam with complete dedication and consistency. Very good. So let's start today's session without wasting a moment. So moving to question number 1. Okay, very good. So Sonu is saying the question come in pre-board. Okay, very good. Okay. So my dear lovely kids, very first question for you. Look at the question, read the question and give me correct answer. There are 4 options given to you. Which option will be correct? Yes, give me response. I'm waiting for your response, guys. And kindly show your involvement. Keep interacting with me. Yes. Yesterday my pre-board exam. So Sonu, how was your pre-board exam? I hope you did well in your pre-board exam and you attempted every question. I hope. Very good. So many students have joined. I welcome you all, everyone, on your favorite channel, favorite platform, Deeksha Vedantu, where we are providing you complete academic solution. So moving to question number 1. Let's do the question. So the question is, read the question first carefully, calmly. Okay. So the question is, if the mean of the observation x comma x plus 3 x plus 5 x plus 7 and x plus 10 is 9. So basically this question is from statistics. There are 5 observations given to you. First observation, second, third, fourth, and this is x plus 10 is 5th. This is 5th observation, and the mean is also given to you, right? And you have to, yes, Amit, how are you, Amit? Very good. Okay, so there are 5 observations: x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 10, one x plus 7 is also there. So x plus 7 plus x plus 10. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is combining this 5 observations. So we know the formula for mean is sum of observation divided by number of observation, right? 1, this is first observation, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 observations are there. So we will divide this whole family by 5, and the mean is also given to you here. The mean is 9, so this will be equal to 9. Now my dear kids, x plus x plus x plus x, how many x are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x. So we can write here 5x plus numbers are 5 plus 3, 8, 8, 7, 15, 15 plus 5 will be 25, and this 5 will multiply with this, so this will be 45. 9 5 are 45. So 5x will be 45 minus 25. So 5x will be 25. 45 minus 25 will be what? 20. So x we are getting here. Which number? Any mistake is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x plus 3, 8, 8, 7, 15, 15, and so the here is how many observations are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So the x is equals to 4. Options are mistake. I think there is some error in the options. Okay, so we got only 4. Look, the question is we have to find out the mean of last 3 observations. The question is correct. I apologize. Question is absolutely correct. Look, we have to find out mean of the last 3 observations. Which is the last 3 observations? Look, the last 3 observation is x plus 5, x plus 7 and x plus 10. Very good. We have to find out the mean of these observations. We have x, so what will be this value? 4 plus 5 will be 9, plus this will be 4 plus 7 will be 11, 4 plus 10 will be 14 and divided by 3. We have to calculate this value. So 9 plus 11 will be 20. 20 plus 14 divided by 3. So this will be 20 plus 14 will be what? 34 divided by 3. So can we divide? 3 will divide 34. So 3 1 ja 3 here. 3 4 ja 12 here. Okay. And we are getting here. Look, this is what? 3 1 ja 3 4 and this is cancelling here 4. 3 1 ja 3 here. And we are getting 1. So 11 whole 1 by 3 is the correct answer. 11 whole 1 by 3 is correct answer. I hope you got the point. Very good. Very good. So in this question, the question was asking to find out the mean of last 3 observation. And to find the last 3 observation, we should have x. Moving to question number 2. Yes. Very good. Exam ho raha, I am fine, and you? Yes. Okay, you guys are talking with each other. Instead of talking, I think you should focus on solution. You should focus on question, guys. So let me on my AC because I'm feeling a bit. Yes. Okay, so do this question, my dear champion. Do this question. You all can do this question. Yes. Okay, so question number 2 for you. All 10th champions. My lovely kids, my Golu Molu kids, which option will be correct? Look at the question first. Read the question. Okay, option number B. Amit is answered option number B. I'm waiting for others' response. Okay, look at the question, guys. So, one quadratic equation is given to you, right? The quadratic equation is given to you here. The quadratic equation is 2x square minus 3 root 2x plus 9 by 4. If you guys are worried about this 9 by 4, if this 9 by 4 is scaring you guys, so you can remove this. You can take LCM here. And if you can take LCM here, so this will be 4 to 8x square minus 4 3 12 root 2x plus 9, and this 4 will be multiplied with 0, so this will become like this. This equation will look like this because I have taken the LCM of 4. So 4 will be multiplied here, 4 will be multiplied here. So 4 to 8x square minus 12 root 2x plus 9 will be equal to 0. Now this is what, guys? This is A for you. The coefficient of x is called B for you, and the last term will be pure constant, which is C. You have A, you have B, and you have C. Now you have to find out the nature of roots. And I have already told you, we can find out the nature of roots even without solving the quadratic equation, because we have discriminant. We can find out the discriminant value. Yes, the nature of discriminant will give you the nature of root, right? So what is B here? B is minus 12 root 2. Minus 12 root 2 whole square minus 4. What is A here? A is 8. And what is C here? C is 9. Right? So minus 12 root 2 square will be 144, 12 square 144, and root 2 square will be 2. Minus this will be what? 432 into 9. Okay, so we are getting here 4 to 8, 8 to 1 ja 2, minus 9 to 18, and 2 7, 9 to 18 1, and this is 288. Wow, this is cancelled, 0. We are getting D is equals to 0. What happens, guys, when D becomes 0? When D is equals to 0, what conclusion you are getting here? If D is equals to 0, means the quadratic equation will be having 2 real and equal roots. Which option will be there? 2 real and equal roots, because we are getting D is equals to 0. I hope you have understood. If d will be equal to 0, it implies that there will be two real and equal roots. Right? Very good. Okay, moving to question number 3. I hope you have understood this question. So this question is directly based on formula. If you know the formula of discriminant, then answer will be in your hand. Right? Okay, moving to question number. Okay, hi everyone. Okay, superb. Question number 3. This is for you. Question number 3. Yes, question number 3. Guys, Amit, Sonu, Bunty, Kushwa, how are you, Bunty? Yes, do this question, my dear. Do this question, please. Don't waste your time anywhere. Try to focus here. If you guys are not able to do the question, but you can see the solution, how I'm doing the question, how I'm solving the solution, how I'm initiating the solution, what is the approach, what is the methodology. At least you can see the screen, and that will give you a bit clarity in mathematics, how you should. Yes. Okay. Superb. So question number 3 for you, all 10th champion kids. My dear kids, don't waste your time, because this is your very crucial time, very diamond period for you, and you don't have so much of time to appear to sit in your board exam. So try to solve the question along with me, and please sit with your notebook and pen. Okay. Okay, so again Amit is answered option number A. Okay, my dear kids, look at the question. First, read the question carefully. Read the question. Read the question very calmly. Okay, the question is, one ticket is drawn at random from a bag containing tickets numbered 1 to 40. So there is a bag, and in which there are so many tickets which is having number from 1 to 40. So how many tickets are there? 40 tickets are there, and each ticket is marked with the number from 1 to 40. I'm picking one ticket randomly from the bag. So what will be the probability? What will be the probability that the selected ticket is a multiple of 5? You know multiple of 5? The multiple of 5 is called the numbers which can be divided by 5. The numbers which can be divided by 5. So the number which come in the table of 5, I can say simply. So if the numbers are from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and till 40. So how many numbers will be there which will be divided by 5, which can be divided by 5? So the first number will be 5 itself. 5 will be divided by 5. Then which number will be there? 10 will be there. Then 15, then 20, then 25, then 30, then 35, and then 40 itself. These are the multiples of 5, my dear kids. So how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your favorable outcome. And you all know in probability, there is a very special formula to calculate the probability, number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. So how many favorable outcomes are here? 8 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 outcomes. Right? And how many total numbers are here? The tickets are 40 tickets. The total number of tickets are 40. So we can put here 8 by 40. So this will cancel here. So probability of event is 1 by 5 answer. Any option? 1 by 5, which is first option. Yes. Okay, superb. So, very good. I hope you have understood. Give me thumbs up, guys. You have understood this question. You guys are really enjoying this session. Give me thumbs up, my dear champions. I want to know your involvement. You guys are there or not? Yeah, Sonu, answer A. Very good. So, moving to question number 4. Question number 4, my dear champions, my dear Golu Molu champions. So, you all are board aspirant. So, you have to be very serious about your board exam, because you don't have so much of time. I'm repeating it again and again. I'm not demoralizing. My intention is not to demotivate you guys, but this is true. You have to be very serious, guys. Okay, look at the question. Very tricky, interesting question, guys. Which option will be correct? Yeah. Very good. Raj. Hi, Raj. How are you? Okay, let's wait for others. I want to Yeah, I want to see the answers, others response. Amit and Sonu is responding frequently. I want to see others response. So many students are watching this live session, so I'm expecting the involvement of others also. Yes. Okay. Very good. So let's do the question. So the question is, if each root of x square minus bx plus c is decreased by 2. So there is one quadratic equation given, and the condition is the root of this quadratic equation is decreased by 2. The resulting equation is this. See how we can do, what we can do here. Let the root of this quadratic equation be alpha and beta. I'm supposing the roots of first quadratic equation as alpha and beta. So if the root of this quadratic equation is alpha and beta, so what will be the root of this quadratic equation? This will be alpha minus 2 and beta minus 2. I hope you have understood, because the question is saying on decreasing the roots by 2, the resulting quadratic equation is this. So the roots of this quadratic equation will be alpha minus beta and alpha minus 2 and beta minus 2. I hope you got the point. Is it clear? Now come to the situation, and we have to find out the value of BC. Okay, no problem. So first, look at this quadratic equation first. So if alpha and beta is the roots of this quadratic equation, so alpha plus beta will be what? We all know the formula, minus b upon a. So minus, this b is already in negative form, so this will be minus b by a, which will be equal to b by a, right? And alpha into beta will be what? Alpha into beta will be c by a, right? And a is here, a is 1, so we can write here b by 1, which will be equal to only b. Similarly, this is c by a, and c, a is what? A is nothing, a is 1, so this will be only equal to c. So we have the final format, alpha plus beta is equals to b, and alpha into beta is equals to c. Please keep it in mind. We will use these two equations later on. I hope till here everything is clear. Is it clear, guys? Till here, is it clear? Thanks, bro, Amit bhai. Is it clear? Till here, is it clear? Alpha plus beta will be b, and alpha into beta will be c. Now come to this equation. So if we talk about second quadratic equation is x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. And what are the roots? Roots are alpha minus beta and beta minus, alpha minus 2 and beta minus 2. So if we use the formula of sum of roots, which is equals to minus b by a in this quadratic equation, so we have to write here alpha minus 2 plus beta minus 2 will be equal to minus b, and minus b is what? Minus 2. So minus 2, and a is what? A is nothing, means we can write here 1. So alpha plus beta minus 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 and minus 2 will be minus 4. And here this is minus plus 2. So alpha plus beta we are getting as 6. Alpha plus beta is equals to 6 here. No problem. Now come to alpha into beta. So alpha minus 2 into beta minus 2. What will be this? This will be c by a. I am using this formula, product of root, which is c by a, and sum of root, which is equals to minus b by a. But the condition is that the roots are alpha minus beta and beta, alpha minus 2 and beta minus 2 for this equation. Please keep it in mind. So alpha minus 2, beta minus 2 will be equal to c by a, and c is nothing, she is 1. Now can we open the bracket? So this will be alpha into beta, minus 2 into alpha will be 2 alpha, minus 2 into beta will be 2 beta, and minus 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4, which will be positive. Minus into minus will be plus 4. Can we write this? So this will be alpha into beta, and this is alpha into beta here. Alpha into beta. Can we take minus 2 as common in both from here? So minus 2, what? We can shift this 4 that side. So 1 minus 4 will be there. Now alpha into beta minus 2, and this is what? This is alpha plus beta, which we have already calculated, we have already the value of alpha plus beta, which is 6. So we can put here 6 equals to minus 3. So this will be alpha into beta, minus 6 into 2 will be minus 12. We can shift that side. So minus 3 plus 12. So alpha into beta we are getting as 9. My dear champion, alpha into beta is 9. Yes, and alpha plus beta is 6 here. And look, alpha plus beta is basically equal to B. So if alpha plus beta equals to B and alpha plus beta equals to 6, so we can write here, na? Yes, B will be 6. And look, alpha into beta is C and alpha into beta is basically 9. So it indirectly indicates that C will be equal to what? 9. So B is 6 and C is 9. Yes, option number A is correct. Yes, who answered option number A? Abhinav. Hi Abhinav, welcome. Yeah, option number A is correct. Abhinav is correct here. Very good. Very good. Okay, should I move to the next question? Give me thumbs up, guys. You are really enjoying and you all are there. Yes, give me thumbs up. Okay. Okay, so question number 5. Moving to question number 5. Amit is so funny. Yesterday Amit was asking, sir, 10 रुपये वाला बिस्किट, and now he is asking, क्या आपके कोलगेट में नमक है? No, मेरे कोलगेट में ग्लूकोज है. Okay, so don't make fun, guys. Okay, hello sir, good afternoon. Hi Tej Pratap Singh, good afternoon. So moving to question number 5 for you. Okay, my dear champion, can you guys do this question? Very interesting question. Look at the question carefully. Suraj, hi Suraj. Yes, thank you so much for giving response. Very good. Sonu, don't use such language, you are student. Okay. Hi Tej Pratap, very good. Hi. Okay, so look at the question, my dear champion, my dear Golu, Molu kids, look at the question. First, read the question. In maths, never be in hurry. First, read the question, never be so quick. Yeah, I can do, this is very easy. Don't be overconfident. First, read the question and try to find out the approach, which formula will be used, from which chapter the question is, right? So then only you can find out the solution. Yes. Okay, Amit is answered A. I want answer from each one of you guys. No problem, Sonu, no problem. Okay, so focus on question, guys. Instead of wasting your energy here and there, I think you should focus on the question, because we all are solving very important PYQs and most expected question for your board exam. Okay, so look, let me give you the solution. My dear champion, just focus here. Okay, so the question is, the mean of A, B, C is capital M. So the mean of A, B, C, so we can write A plus B plus C divided by 3, that must have been equal to M. This is the mean. Look at the first statement. The mean of A, B, C is capital M. So we can write this format, A plus B plus C divided by 3, that will be equal to capital M. Because this is the formula by which we can calculate the mean. Sum of observation divided by number of observation will give you the mean. So A plus B plus C we are getting here equals to 3M. Please mark here equation number 1. A plus B plus C is equals to 3M. Got it? Now come. One information is already given to you in this question. AB plus BC plus A equals to 0. Okay. Now come to the second statement. Please, my dear champion. The mean of A square, B square and C square equals to capital K, capital M square. KM square. The mean of A square, B square and C square. Again we can write A square plus B square plus C square divided by 3. Because this is the mathematical method by which we calculate the mean. A square plus B square plus C square divided by 3. Why I am dividing by 3? Because there are 3 observations. A square, B square, 3 square. How many observations are there? 3 observations. Okay. And which is equal to KM square. So A square plus B square plus C square will be equal to 3KM square. And mark here equation number 2. I hope till here everything is clear. A plus B plus C is equals to 3M, A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 3KM square. But we have to find out the value of K. Don't worry. Now, my dear champion, do you know this formula? A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B plus C whole square. Hi everyone. Hi. Kavira. Hi Kavira, how are you Kavira? I hope you are good. Okay. So, A plus B plus C square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. I hope you all know this algebraic identity. A plus B plus C whole square. Is it clear? Now listen. Look, what is this? A plus B plus C. And A plus B plus C is equals to 3M. So can we replace here? So we can write here 3M whole square. Now look, my dear kids, what is this? A square plus B square plus C square, and which is equal to 3km square. Yes, we can put here 3km square. Is it clear? Now, can we take 2 common here? This is plus sign. Can we take 2 common? So after taking 2 common, we are getting here AB plus BC plus CA. And look, AB plus BC plus CA, which is equals to 0. Yes, so this is 3m square will be 9m square, which is equals to 3km square, and this 2 into 0 will be 0. 2 into 0 will be 0, right? So we are getting here 9m square is equals to 3km square. So m square will be cancelled with m square, right? And this 3 will cancel this 3. So we are getting k equals to 3. Answer. Any option? Option number A. Option number A. Who answered option number A? Very good. Sonu answered option number A. Tej Pratap answered A. And Kavira is also answered A. Amit is also answered A. Very good, guys. Great going, guys. I am really impressed from you all. You all are doing great job in maths. But the condition is that, see, maths is very easy. If you, many of you must have thinking like, the maths is scaring, math, you all are afraid in maths. I don't know why math you seems horrible. I don't know. I don't think at all, because math is fully depend on concept, clarity and formula. If you have formula, if you are having clarity, then you will be able to tackle, you will be able to encounter any question. So maths demands practice, formula and clarity, right? So moving to question number 6. Yes, my dear kids, now try this question. Question number 6. I'm looking at chat section. I want to see the name of the student who will give me the correct answer of this question. Question number 6. Question number 6. Yes, my dear champ. Try this question. I'm waiting for your response, guys. My Golu Molu kids. Which option will be correct for this question? Yeah. There are 3 numbers. There are 3 numbers, 12, 21 and 15. You have to find out the HCF and LCM of all these numbers. HCF and LCM. Okay. So let me give you the solution. I couldn't get any response, any correct answer. Is this really tough question, guys? You're not giving me response? Okay. So look, there are 3 numbers, 12, 21 and 15. So there are 3 numbers and we have to find out the LCM and HCF. So using prime factorization method, we can find the HCF and LCM of these numbers easily. So 12 can be factorized as 2 to power 2 into 3. Yeah, can we write 12 as 2 to power 2 into 3? 2 to power 2 is 4 and 4 into 3 is equals to 12, right? And this 21 can be written as 3 into 7. So the power here, we can put here the power is 1, the power is 1. We don't require to put here 1, but here I'm teaching you guys. So that is the reason why I'm putting here 1, so that you can have clear concept. What does it mean by if there is nothing at the place of power, so it implies that there is 1. So keep it in mind. Okay. So option D is saying Abhinav, option D Tej Pratap. It is so easy. Very good. Yeah. Okay, now, so 15 can also be written as 3 to power 1 into 5 to power 1. So, to find the HCF is what? Highest common factor. And I have already given you the concept. If you are finding the HCF means highest common factor. If highest term is there, then you have to take the lowest power. Opposite. To find the highest common factor, you have to take lowest power. So in 2 to power 2, if 2 to power 2 is here, but 2 to power 2 is not here, so 2 to power 2 can be imagine 0. We can imagine 0. So in 2, which is the lowest power? 2 to power 0. Here, look how we are calculating here HCF. So we have to take the least power, right? So 2 to power 0 is the least. We can write 2 to power 0. And the 2 to power 0 is basically 1. So if we will not write 2 to power 0, so no impact will be there. Okay, now come to 3. If we talk about 3 to power 1, 3 to power 1, 3 to power 1. So 3 to power 1 will take. Okay, 7. Now talk about 7. 7 is here, but 7 is not here. So we can imagine 7 to power 0 is here, 7 to power 0 is here. So which number we will take? We will take 7 to power 0, right? Lowest power. And now if we talk about 5, 5 is here, but 5 is not here. So we can imagine 5 to power 0 and 5 to power 0 here. Now which is the lowest power? If we talk about 5, so 5 to power 0 is the lowest. So we can write here 5 to power 0. So the HCF will be only 2 to power 0 is 1, 7 to power 0 is 1, 5 to power 0 is 1. So we are getting only 3 to power 1. So 3 is the HCF. 3 is the HCF. 3 is the sir. सर आपकी क्लास में पहली बार आया हूँ. रोहित, welcome Rohit. Thank you so much for coming in the class. So if you want to score good marks in maths, if you want to have concept and clarity in maths, please keep coming. And I'm assuring you guys, you will get good marks. Okay, so HCF is 3. Now come to LCM. So LCM is what? Lowest common multiple. Which term is coming? Lowest. And if lowest common multiple, if we talk about lowest common multiple, we will take highest power. Opposite. So highest power, 2 to power 2, 2 to power 0, 2 to power 0. Which is highest? 2 to power 2. If we talk about 3, 3 to power 1, 3 to power 1, 3 to power 1. Which is highest? 3 to power 1. If we talk about 5, 5 to power 0, 5 to power 0, 5 to power 1. Which is highest? 5 to power 1. Now if we talk about 7, 7 to power 0 is here, 7 to power 1 is here, 7 to power 0 is here. Which we will take? We will take 7 to power 1 because we need highest, because we are calculating LCM. Now we can multiply 2 to the 4 into 3 into 5 into 7. Can you please multiply here? So 12, 60 into 7. So this will be 420. LCM is 420. LCM is 420. तेज प्रताप like तो बनता है. LCM is 420. Which option will be correct? 3 and 420. Option number C. HCF is 3 and LCM is. I hope you got the concept. How are you, sir? Komal. Hi, Komal. Welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform. I'm fine. I'm okay. What about you, Komal? I hope you are solving the question along with me, guys. Okay. Okay, Rohit, have you guys understood the question? Did you understand the question? Is there any confusion, any doubt? Let me know, guys. I'm here. Okay. Should I move forward to the next question? Should I move to the next question? Give me thumbs up. Or please write yes, sir. Yes, move. Okay, moving to question number 7. Yes, sir. Rohit is saying yes, sir. You can comfortable with Hindi, sir. So, Komal, this is English-based channel here. So, we cannot use Hindi. Beta, yeah. But you can understand mathematics is, I think, language never matters a lot in mathematics. Mathematics is just about formula, concept, clarity, and methodology. So, please see the solution and solve the question. Okay. Now give me answer for this question. Look at the question. This question is basically from circle. Yes, sir. Please move. Yeah, Tej Pratap. Moving to question number 7 for you. Okay. Look at the question. From an external point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 12 centimeter. Very good. So there is a circle first. Wow. Guys, look at the circle. It's really beautiful. You guys even cannot draw the circle like this using compass and pencil. Look how I'm drawing the circle. Okay, from an external point Q, so this is point Q here. So this is point Q here. So from an external point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 12 centimeter. Very good. So there is a tangent. this from point Q, and the length of the tangent till here, this length is 12 centimeter. Guys, okay? Now read the next statement. And the distance of Q from the center, very good, this is center here, this distance is 13 centimeter. This is 13 centimeter, right? What will be the radius? We have to find out. You know, guys, there is a theorem. There is very special theorem. If we draw the radius at point of contact, this angle always equal to 90 degree. This is the theorem. This is the rule of circle. If we join the radius, if we draw the radius at the point of contact, the angle is always equal to 90 degree. Is it clear? So if this is 90 degree, we have right angle triangle. This is Q, so we can call this P, and the center is O. So this is what? Right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. This is the hypotenuse, so radius will be under root hypotenuse square, which is 13 square minus 12 square, right? So R will be 169 and this is 144. So R will be what? This is 25, right? So R will be 5 centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter. I hope you have understood. Yes, Tej Pratap. 5, very good. So many students are responding 5. Very good. Yeah, I'm really impressed, you guys. How beauty, how sweet of you guys. Yes, B is correct answer. Very good. Sonu, Tej Pratap, Amit. You guys are doing a really great job, yeah? Yeah. Okay, moving to question number 8. Yes, try this question, guys. Okay, my dear champion, try this question. You all can do this question. There is nothing challenging in this question, nothing difficulty in this question. You all can tackle this question. But there is a bit small trick is here, but nothing, you know, challenging I can say here. Okay. Dear all, my dear champion, please focus on question instead of talking such extra talk. Please focus on question. Okay, the length of a string between a kite and a point on the ground is 85 meter. See, this is my personal suggestion, you guys. Whenever you are doing question from some applications of trigonometry, right? So first make sure to read the statement stepwise and draw the diagram. Read the statement, draw the diagram. Unless you cannot do the question, if you will not be able to do the diagram clearly, the question will, you cannot solve the question. Every question depends on diagram. You should have clear approach to draw the diagram. Komal is writing. So Komal, you are giving answer of previous question. Yeah, 5 is correct answer. So look at the question here. So always make sure to draw the diagram. So what we can do here, look, the length of a string between a kite and a point on the ground. So let's say here, the kite is here. This is kite, right? This is kite. And this is ground here. The length of the string, this. The length of the string between a kite and a point on ground is 85 meter. So this is 85 meter. Right, this is 85 meter. Okay, makes an angle theta with the level ground. This is angle theta, and this will be a triangle here. This will be a triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, so level ground such that tan theta is 15 by 8. Very good. The tan theta is 15 by 8. No problem. We can draw here just similar triangle, one more right angle triangle, and if I draw same angle here, if this is theta, we can mark here theta also, and tan theta is 15 by 8. You know, guys, tan theta is basically what? Tan theta is perpendicular by base. So perpendicular must be 15 and base must be 8. So we can write here perpendicular is 15 and base is 8. We have to find out the height of the kite here. We have to find this value. What is the height of the kite from the ground? So we have two right angle triangles. We have two right angle triangles. This situation is also similar to this because this is the condition here. So if this is 15, this is 18, what will be this? This will be hypotenuse. 15 square, which will be 225, plus 8 square, which will be 64, and 225 plus 64 will be 549, 648, 289. Under root 289 is of 17. Under root 289 is 17. Now look, my dear kids, in this triangle and both the triangle are similar, because this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is theta and this is theta. Both the triangle are similar by double A similarity. And if the triangles are similar, we can apply the corresponding ratio will be equal. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. We can write perpendicular, which is 15, by hypotenuse, which is 17. Because both the triangles are similar to each other. And there is the condition of similarity is two angles must be equal to each other. Yes, two angles are equal. I'm taking 90 degree, 90 degree, I'm taking theta, which is equal to theta. Right. So now we can solve this. So what will be the answer? So can we cross multiply? H into 17 will be 85 into 15. So H will be 85 into 15 divided by 7. 17 will cancel this 5 times, and H will be 15, 5 just 75 meter. This is the height of the kite. I hope you got the point. Yes. 75 Tej Pratap. Yes, Harsh. Hi Harsh, how are you? Akshat. Hi Akshat. How are you, man? Welcome everyone, my Golu Molu 10th champion kids. You all are preparing for board exam 2026. So keep motivated, stay motivated, stay confident, and come in the live session with me, guys. If you really want to score good marks in mathematics, yes, I'm assuring you guys, you will feel very confident in your exam if you'll keep coming in live session, or you will go through the recorded videos on Deeksha Vedantu's platform. Yes, A is correct answer. Superb, Tej Pratap. Yeah. What is your answer, Harsh? Okay, moving to next question, question number 9. Look at the question. Question number 9. So many students are watching the live session, but only few students are responding and they are giving the answer frequently. I'm expecting everyone. Sir, drink water. Harsh. Hi, Harsh. How are you, champion? Okay. Now look at the question. Consider the following frequency distribution of the height of 60 students of a class. The upper limit of the median class in the given data will be what? We have to find out the upper limit of the median class. You know, guys, median class. To find out the median class, first we must have cumulative frequency table. Without cumulative frequency table, we cannot find the any limit, either upper limit or lower limit of median class. So to find out the upper limit of median class, first we have to write the cumulative frequency table of this observation table. Right? Tej Pratap is saying I am facing difficulty in circle. Don't worry, yaar, I'm here. I'll give you, strategy and tips and tricks in circle, how you can solve the circle questions. Don't worry, Tej Pratap, I'm here. Okay, look at the question. So number of students is 15, 13, 10, 8, 9 and 5. But we have to find out the upper limit of the median class. I have already told you, to find out the median class, first you have to write the cumulative frequency. Without cumulative frequency, you cannot find the median class. So cumulative frequency, I'm writing here CF. CF will be what? This is 15 frequency, and the next will be this, and this will be add up. So this will be 28. This will be 28 plus 10 will be 38. 38 plus 8 will be 46. 46 plus 9 will be 55. 55 plus 5 will be 60. This is called cumulative frequency. This is called cumulative frequency. Amit is answered 9A, option number A. Okay, Amit, just wait a little bit. Okay, so this is the cumulative frequency, 15, 28, 38, 46, 55 and 60. You know, guys, this is the sum of all the frequencies, which is called N. So N is basically 60. So if N is 60, so what will be N by 2? N by 2 will be 60 by 2, which will be 30. Now find out the position of 30, which will be the probable position at which this 30 will lie. So the 30 will lie between 28 and 38. Yes, N by 2, which is 30, so 30 will lie between 28 and 38. and we always take succeeding class. So 38 is here, and for 38, which will be the class, this will be class, this is the class. And if we talk about the upper limit, so the upper limit is what? 60. So 160 is the correct answer. 160 is correct answer. Yes, tomorrow is my pre-board of mathematics. Sir, please give advice. So my dear champion Sonu, don't worry, I'll be giving you some advice for your exam, especially how strategy you should follow while you're writing your answer sheet, while you are observing your question paper and all. So we will be discussing these things at the ending of the session. Okay, so first do these questions, because there are so many questions still have to do. Okay, so 160 is the answer. Moving to question number 10. Okay, question number 10. Question number 10. Which option will be correct? Everyone should try. Everyone should try. Question number 10 for you. I think some student is spreading ruckus here. Dear all, I don't want to take your name, but don't put such comment in chat section. I'm requesting you guys. Please focus on the questions. This is mathematics. Mathematics is not just a joke. Mathematics is not just a joke. You have to solve the question. You have to be very focused towards the question, towards the solution, the formula and everything. Which formula I'm using, what approach I'm following here. So please focus on solution. Okay, 160. Okay, now, yeah, 160 is correct answer, Tej Pratap, in previous question. Now do this question. Look at the question. So we have to find out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Look at the quadratic polynomial. The quadratic polynomial is x square minus 3x minus m under bracket m plus 3. This is the quadratic polynomial given to you. And you have to find out the zeros. You have to find out the zeros. Okay, now how we can find out the zeros? So there are so many methods. We can apply here quadratic formula directly. We can directly use this formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. We can use this formula directly. Using this formula, you can directly get the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. But let's do some other method we can follow. Okay, x square minus 3x. Can we open the bracket here? So this will be m square, and m into m will be minus 3m. Is it clear? Now can we take common here x? So if we will take a common x, so this will be 1 minus, x minus, this will be 3. Now can we take common here minus m? So this will be here m, and this is what, plus minus minus, and this will be actually here this is minus m square, and here the question is minus 3m plus 3. So if we are opening the bracket here, so it is becoming minus m square, and it is becoming minus 3m. So if we are taking common x here, so we are getting x minus 3. So if this bracket is containing x minus 3, so the next bracket should be x minus 3 itself. The same should be there. But here this is x minus 3, so it cannot be x minus 3 because x is not here. Because x is not here. So we cannot apply, we cannot use the middle term splitting method. We can use that formula directly. So using that formula, let's see the question, what will be the solution. Okay, so x will be minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now put the values. Where is b? B is minus 3, so minus and minus 3. Plus minus under root b square. Where is b? B is minus 3, so minus 3 whole square. Minus 4. Where is a? A is nothing, so here is 1. Okay, c is what? C is this, minus m plus 3. This is c here, and divided by what? Divided by 2a. 2 into 1, that will be 2a. Is it clear? Now solve this. X equals to minus will be plus. Plus minus, under bracket will be, this is minus 3 square will be 9, and here minus 4. Can we open the bracket? So this will be minus m square, and this will be minus 3m. Right? minus m square and plus minus minus 3m, okay, and divided by 2. Now x equals to 3 plus minus under bracket. Now we can open the bracket again. 9 minus 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 plus 4 m square and minus minus plus what? 4 3 are 12m divided by 2. Is it clear? Now guys, you can see here under bracket family can be written as, look, this is 9 plus 4m square plus 2m. It can be written as 3 plus 2m whole square. Check it please, 3 plus 2m whole square. Yes, 3 plus 2m, because 3 square will be 9, a square plus b square 4m square plus 2ab, which will be 12. 12m will be there, 2ab will be 12m and divided by 2. Now you can see here under bracket is square, 3 plus 2m whole square, that is in under bracket, so we can under root, so we can remove the root, so this will be 3 plus 2m divided by 2. Now taking first positive sign, so 3 plus 3 and plus will be 2m and divided by 2. So 3 plus 3 will be 6. 3 plus 3 will be 6 plus 2m divided by 2. Can we take 2s common here? So this will be 3 plus what? M divided by 2. Okay, 2 cancelled. So x we are getting here m plus 3. First root is m plus 3. Now we can take minus sign. We can consider minus sign here. So this will be x equals to 3. I'm taking minus sign now. So minus 3 and plus minus minus 2m divided by what? 2. So 3m, 3 is cancelled with 3. So x is equals to minus 2m divided by 2. 2 cancelled. So x we are getting as minus m. So first root is m plus 3 and the second root is minus m. Minus m plus 3. Option number B is correct answer. Yes. Okay. Yes. Very good. Some is writing option number A, some is responding option number B. Who is answered option number B? Yeah, Tej Pratap. Yes, correct answer. All the very best, Tej. Very good. Sonu is also here. I think, sir, the comments reach you late. Maybe, yeah, it may be, there might be some network issue. Okay, so I hope you got the answer. Okay, so this is the way how you can solve the such quadratic polynomial using quadratic formula. This is called quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, guys. For your kind information, this is called quadratic formula. Okay, moving to next question, question number 11. Look at the question, guys. Question number 11. Very good. So many students are watching. My dear 10th champion kids, see, I'm repeating it again and again. Please, you have to be very serious and confident because this is the crucial time you are in, guys. Present time is very crucial and diamond time for you guys. So please solve the question, practice the mathematics. Without practicing, you cannot get good marks in board exam. You know the standard, you know the level of board is changing. You will get almost 45%, 50% of competency based question, right? So you have to be ready for that. Is it clear? There is no shortcut in mathematics. To get the good marks in mathematics, you should have formula. You have to practice, practice, practice and practice. Only watching the question, not solving, that will not give you the marks. Okay. Now moving to question number 11. Look at the question. Interesting question, a bit tricky question, but interesting one. So the question is 3 to power x plus y equals to 81 and 81 to power x minus y is equals to 3. Okay, there are two situations, first and second condition. So look, 3 to power x plus y is equals to 81. My dear champion, you know 81 can be factorized as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27, 3 are 81. Yes, and it can also written as 3 to power 4. Yes, 81 can be factorized as 3 to power 4. So 3 to power x plus y can be written as 3 to power 4. Now look, base are same, of RHS side and LHS side base are same, and if base are same, then exponent will also be same. Exponent has to be same because bases are same. So x plus y we are getting here as 4, and we can call this equation number 1. I hope this is clear. Now moving to the second situation. This is 81 to power x minus y, which is equals to 3. Comparatively to 81 and 3, 81 is the larger number, bigger number, 3 is a smaller number. So 3 cannot be reduced in their prime factor. We cannot apply factorization, but 81 can be factorized because 81 is the bigger number, right? So 81 again can be written as 3 to power 81 here can again be written as what? 3 to power 4, and already power is x minus y, which is equals to 3. So 3 to power, this 4 will be multiplied with x, 4x minus 4y is equals to 3 to power 1. Is it clear? So now the base, again bases are same, and if bases are same, so 4x minus 4y will be equal to 1. So we have first equation and we have second equation. Can we solve? Can we? So this is x plus y equals to 4, and here is x minus y equals to 1 by 4. We can take 4 as common here. So this will be x minus y, which is equals to 1. So x minus y can also be written as x 1 by 4. Right? That's why I'm writing here. Now compare the coefficients. So a1 by a2 is equals to 1 by 1. 1 by 1. So we are getting 1. And b1 by b2. b1 is what? 1. But b2 is what? Minus 1. So we are getting minus 1. Wow. A1 by A2 is 1, but B1 by B2 is minus 1. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. And if this conditions arise, so it implies that unique solution will be there. Unique solution. Unique solution, or only one solution we can say. Only one solution will be there. Right? So unique solution is the correct answer. Yes. Yes, Tej Pratap. Yeah, very good, Tej Pratap. Sumit Kumar is also writing option number B. Very good. Nima Fatima. Hi, how are you, Nima? Welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform. We are eliminating the hunger with doing questions. We are not going to eat anything today. Okay, only questions. Hard work to get good marks, good percentage in board exam. Just joke, huh? You can eat if you want to eat something, guys. Okay. Very good. Sumit is correct here. Yeah. Moving to question number 12. Look at the question. This question is assertion and reason based. Look at the question, guys. Assertion and reason. Read the question. Read the question first. Next. Yes, Sumit, next question is for you. Question number 12. Yeah. So, the assertion is 4x square minus 12x plus 9 equals to 0 has repeated roots. Do you know, guys, what does it mean by repeated roots? Sir, full marks. Yes. RCB. Who is RCB fan here? Wow. Answer is C. Very good. Okay. So, look, what does it mean by repeated roots? Repeated roots means real and equal roots. Equal roots. This is called repeated roots. Let's say an example. If I'm giving you a quadratic equation and you solve the quadratic equation and you got the roots, and the roots that you got is 2 and 2, means both roots are same, both zeros are same, such condition is called repeated roots. If the roots are real and equal, if both the roots are real and equal, then such condition is called repeated roots. And if I ask you, when such condition arise? When d become equals to 0. I hope you know this. When d become equal to 0, when d is equals to 0, then only there will be repeated roots, means both the roots will be equal to each other. Getting my point? So find out the D for this question. Okay, so we can find out the D. So D, you know D, the formula of D is discriminant is B square minus 4AC. So what is B here? B is minus 12. So can we put here minus 12 whole square minus 4. A is what? A is 4 here. C is what? C is 9 here. Now solve this. So minus 12 square will be positive 144, and this will be what? 16 into 9. And you all know 16 into 9 is also 144. Yes, we are getting D is 0. Yes, my dear kids. So for this quadratic equation, D is equals to 0. And if D is equals to 0, it implies that there will be two real and equal roots. Means repeated roots will be there. So the assertion is definitely correct. The assertion is absolutely correct. And look, what reason is saying? The quadratic equation have repeated roots when discriminant is greater than 0. No. If discriminant is greater than 0, there will be two distinct real roots. Means both the roots will be different from each other. Getting my point? So reason is false, assertion is correct. Reason is false, assertion is correct. Which option will be? Assertion is true, but reason is false. Option number C. Option number C. Yes, C hoga. You had been Tej Pratap. Education classes equal and real roots. Yes, of course, education classes. Sonu Sir, you work hard and stint for many hours. Yeah, thank you so much for your concern. But yeah, see, this is just for you guys because you guys are very important. I'm deeply connected with you all, and I want to see many of you as a topper. You will score, 95, 96% in your board exam, so that you can feel proud to your parents and all. Okay, superb. So moving to question number 12. I hope this question is clear to you guys. So moving to question number 13. Look at the question, my dear Golu Molu kids. Look at the question. You all can solve this question. I think I have already suggested you, if we are talking about 52 cards, you should have clarity. How many cards are there? 52 cards. How many categories are there? There are 4 categories: diamond, heart, spade, and club. And each category consists 13 cards, right? So there are 3 face cards in each. You all know this. If you all know these points, you can solve this question. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Sumit Kumar, thank you. Education classes 101%. Very good. Look at the confidence. Super. Salute you, man. Okay. So the question is, a card is drawn from the set of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a queen card. There is no category mentioned. The card, whether the card is from spade, club, heart, diamond, whatever. No. Only queen card. Only queen. So you guys know spade, club, diamond, and heart. All 4 categories having one queen, one queen, one queen, one queen, and one queen. How many queens are here? How many queens are here? 4 queens. Because the only term queen is here. The question is not like queen of spade, queen of club, queen of red, queen of black. Only queen is here. So the favorable outcome will be 4. And how many total cards are there? 52 cards. So we can write 52 here. Now can you solve? 4 you can cancel. So 13 times 1 by 13 is correct answer. Option number B. Option number B. Yes, Nima, Fatima. Yes, absolutely, you are correct. Krishna Tiwari, hi, how are you, Krishna? Welcome. Krishna is also right. 1 by 3. Superb, guys. How sweet of you guys. Very good. So let me ask a question from you. So give me answer in just 2 minutes, 2 seconds, 5 seconds. So I am giving you 5 seconds. Without using a pen, you can give me answer. So if I select a card from 52, so what will be the probability that the drawn card is not black? Give me answer. That the drawn card is not black. What will be the probability that the drawn card is not a black card? That the drawn card is not black. What will be answer? I want to know the answer, guys. If I draw a card randomly from a deck of 52 cards, so what will be the probability that the drawn card is not a black? Not a black. Not a black. Yeah, I want to see the answer. Let's see who can give me answer. Swati, 26 by 2. Yes, so you can cancel this 26 by 2, Swati. Don't leave 26 because 26 can divide 52 easily. So that will be 1 by 2, guys. Very good. Vikram Kumar, 1 by 2. Yes, Vikram is correct. You guys are also correct, Swati, but you have to cancel the values, right? 1 by 2, Nima. Superb. See, what was the question? The question is the drone card will not have black, so that should be red card. If the card will not be black, so that should be red card. And how many red cards will be there? Diamond and heart will be red card. So 13 of diamond and heart of diamond. So total will be 26 and divided by 52. 26 will cancel 52. So this will be the answer, 1 by 2. Very good. Let me see. Krishna is saying 1. Aryan, 1 by 26 will not be answer. I think you might made some error in calculation, I think. Yeah, Sonu is writing 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. My comment will not, your comment, I can see your comment, Sonu, don't worry. Yeah, Swati is correct. Superb. So I'll keep asking few questions in between the live session. Okay, so let's move to the question number 14. Question number 14 for you. So many students are watching the live session. See, I should, let me give you some very important information, guys. So the question that we are doing right now here in live session, these are the most important PYQs. These questions have already been asked by CBSE in previous years, and few question I picked up here in this live session that is most expected question for your board exam, right? So please solve the question along with me. That will give you the confidence in mathematics. And if you are not able to solve the question, as I should not see, because you all are responding well, so you guys are solving the question. But if, unfortunately, if some of you is still facing problem, so you guys can see the solution, how I am solving the question, what is my approach, what is my method. So, yes, Krishna. Hi, Krishna. How are you? How are you, Krishna? Okay. Question number 14. Yeah, which option will be correct? Sir, ये मेरे प्री बोर्ड में आया था. So this question came in your pre-board. Wow, superb. May you did the question. Wow. So one marks is, you assured your 1 marks. Very good. Okay. Now look at the question. If nth term of an AP is given by an, so okay. So nth term is given as this 5n minus 3. This is the general format. Then the sum of the first 10 terms. What will be the sum of first 10 terms? Aryan is writing answer number A. Krishna is giving, Aryan is 225, Krishna is 245. So much confusion, bacha badi. Okay, let's do the question. So, my dear champion, look. If somewhere n is given to you, you can find any term. You just need to put the value of n. If you will put n as 1, so this will be your first term. So can we find out the first term? 5 into 1 minus 3. So this will be 5 minus 3. This will be 2. Now can we find a2? Second term. So we need to put here 2. So 5 into 2 minus 3. This will be 10 minus 3, which will be equal to 7. Now we can find a3. Similarly, a3 will be 5 into 3 minus 3. So this will be 15 minus 3, and 15 minus 3 is 12. So check. The first term is 2, the second term is 7, and the third term is 12, and so on. Are these numbers AP? Yes, this is AP. Because the difference in 2 and 7 is 5. The difference between 7 and 12 is also 5. So this is AP. This form AP. And if this is AP, the common difference is what? 5. The difference between 7 and 5 is 5, 7 and 2 is 5, and the difference between 12 and 7 is also 5. So you have A is what? 2. You have D. If you have A, you have D, so can't you find sum? Yes, you can find the sum. So Sn, the formula of Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So how many terms are there? We have to find out the sum of 10 terms. So S10, this will be 10 by 2. 2a, 2 into a is what? 2 plus n minus 1. So 10 minus 1 will be 9 into D is what? 5. Now solve this. This will cancel 5. So 5, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 9 into 5 will be 45. So 5 into 45 plus 45 plus 4 will be 49. So can we multiply this? This will be 45 and 4 will be there. 245 is correct answer, option number B. Who answered option number B? Okay. Paper ka code bata, the code will be 041 guys. Okay. Who answered B? Education answered option B. Krishna is answered option number B. Swati answered 245. Very good, Swati. And yeah, superb guys. How sweet of you guys. You're so beautiful. You all are doing great job in mathematics. I'm really impressed. I think my hard work and my, the hard work I'm putting here and standing here 3 hours for you guys. Now I'm feeling proud that you guys are doing great job. This is my 3 hours standing here is worthy. Yes. Gautam Kumar is saying right. So there is one student, I think. So don't put such comment. Don't put such text here, guys, because this is your academic channel. You all are solving the questions here. Focus on your question. Krishna. Okay. I hope you have understood. If you guys are really enjoying this live session, my 10th champion kids, give me thumbs up. Show me your presence. Show me your presence. You guys are there. Give me thumbs up, my dear champions. You are there and you all are really enjoying this live session. Okay, so moving to question number 15. Yes. Show me your presence. Show me your awareness. You guys are there and you're following me. Very good. See, your engagement, your interaction with me encourages me a lot, guys, because see, yeah, Swati is first one who thumbs up me. Krishna is there. Wow. Aryan is there. Thank you so much, Aryan. Yeah. Okay. Superb. Now moving to question number 15. Guys, look at the question. The question is, read the question first. You guys can do this question. Which option will be correct? Okay. Yes. Yeah. Which option will be correct? If the perimeter of one face of a cube, do you know, guys, how the cube looks like? The cube is this. This is the cube. The geometrical shape, the three-dimensional geometrical shape in which length, breadth and height all remain same. Swati's answered B. Swati is so quick. Very good, Swati. So let's wait a little while so that you can confirm your answer, either the answer is right or wrong. Okay. So this is cube here. And this is the square. There are 6 squares. Combining 6 squares form a cubical structure. 6 squares. Okay. So the perimeter of one face of cube. So one face is what? Square. So we can let the side length is L. So the perimeter will be what? 4 into L. L into L into L into L. So L plus L will be 4L. 4L is equals to 20. And if 4L is equals to 20, so L will be what? My dear champion, 5 centimeter. So there is a cube and you are having the side length. And if you know the side length, yes, you can find the surface area. Surface area of cube is what? Surface area of cube is what? 6 into L square. 6 into L square. This is the formula, right? Now you can apply the formula. 6 into L square. L is 5 square. So this will be 5 into 5 will be 25. So can we multiply? So this will be 150 and we are calculating area. So the unit will be centimeter square. 150 centimeter square is correct answer. Okay, Swati is answered B. Sonu is answered D, B, both. I don't know why Sonu is confused. Okay, so don't engage in such baseless talking, guys. Okay, Krishna is answered B. Okay, very good, superb. Okay, so Krishna is also correct. 150 centimeter square is correct answer. Okay, should I move ahead to the next question? Okay, question number 16. Question number 16, guys, these questions are very important for your board exam. I'm repeating it again and again, and don't take these points lightly, because this is my experience being a teacher. Having experience, we analyze every year, and on the basis of that, I'm assuring you guys, you might get these questions in your board exam or in your pre-board exam, whatever, right? So these are very important questions. Now do this question. Okay, look at the question. Yes, Swati. Again, Swati answered C. So the question is, which of the following is not irrational? You know, guys, irrational number, the number which cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0, that is called irrational number. And you know, under root number is basically all are irrational number except perfect square, like under root 4, under root 9, under root 16, they are perfect square, so they all are rational. But other than perfect square, each and every number which is in root, under root form, that is irrational. But here look, 3 plus root 7 is here, so root 7 is making this whole family irrational. Root 7 is here, so root 7 is making whole family irrational. Root 7 is here, this root 7 is making whole family irrational. So they all the three are irrational. And talk about this. Now look at this. This is 3 plus root 7 and 3 minus root 7. You guys know this, a plus b and a minus b. This is algebraic identity, very popular identity. So a plus b into a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. So this will be 3 square minus what? Root 7 square. So 3 square will be 9 and minus root 7 square will be only 7. So 9 minus 7, oh, we are getting 2. So the result of this is basically equal to 2, and 2 means 2 by 1, and 2 by 1 is the form of rational number. So option number C is not irrational number. This is a rational number. Harsh is answered option number C. Very good. Option C, Sonu, Aryan. Okay. Very good. Swati, correct. Very good, beta. The student who is giving me correct answer, all the very best. You guys on right track. Very good. Rocking. You guys all are rocking. Question number 18. Now look at the question. Question number 18. Very good. Question number 18 for you. Very good. Question number 18. Yes. Which option will be correct? My all 10th champion kids. Which option will be correct for this question? Read the question first. Read the question first. Okay. The question is, if the point P 6, 2 divides the line segment joining this point A and B. Okay, so there are 2 points A and B. There are 2 points A and B. A is having coordinate 6, 5 and B is having coordinate which is 4, y. Very good. And the line joining the point A and B is divided by some other point which is P, and the coordinate of P is what? 6, 2. And this P point divides the line joining AB in the ratio 3:1. So this is 3 here and this portion will be 1. 3:1. Now, you all know section formula, yaar. You all know section formula. Yes, we have to find out the value of y. So you can apply section formula on y. So my dear champion, you know, just imagine if this point P would have, unknown to you, so to find the y coordinate of this, which formula we use? Y equals to m2y1 plus m1y2 divided by m1 plus m2. Some student memorize the formula this way: y is equals to m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. There is no difference in both. Look, m1, m2y1, here is m2y1. The difference is of position. So you can memorize in both way, right? So 2 will be equal to, I am using this formula, m1y2. So m1 is what? 3. So 3 into y, 3 into this, plus m2y1, 1 into 5, 1 into 5, and divided by m1 plus m2. m1 is 3, m2 is 1, so 3 plus 1. I hope this is clear to you guys. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 will be multiplied here because I am doing the cross multiplication. So 4 into 2 will be 8, and this will be 3y. 3y plus 5 into 5, and 3 plus 1, 4, 2 ja 8. So 3y will be equal to, if I shift this 5 that side, So 5 will go in negative, so this will be 3. 8 minus 5 will be 3. So y we are getting here 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. Option number D is correct answer. Yes, Aryan section formula. Sir, previous question में CI continue नहीं था. No issues. If CI is not continue, no issues. Okay. Section formula, my okay. Hi Ujjwal, welcome you on Deeksha Vedantu's platform. Okay, very good. Hi everyone. Hi Ishan, how are you? Sir, dal bhat. So funny of you guys. Hi Kanak, option number. Hi Kanak, Krishna Tiwari D. Yeah, D is, yeah, correct. Answer is 1. Kanak, very good. Krishna, very good. Answer is 1. Okay, moving to question number. So it doesn't mean, see, the frequency doesn't mean. Okay, if you can continue this frequency table, you can check it once again. Okay, look at the question. Yes, option number D, very good. Now moving to yes, question number 19. Look at question number 19, guys. Yes, so many students are watching the live session. Yes, Ujjwal, next question for you. Question number 19. Question number 19 for you. Very interesting logic. I'm not going to solve this question anymore. I want to, you guys can solve this question and give me answer. Okay. Question number 19. I'm waiting for the answer of this question. I'm expecting many of you can solve this question. I'm expecting at least 13-14 students are watching the live session. At least 10 students, yeah. 8 to 10 students, I'm expecting 8 to 10 students can give me answer of this question. And I'll be very impressed to see your response here. Yes. Swati is writing answer A. Okay. Marine is also given answer number A. Krishna answered D. So confusing. Let's wait for other. Kanak is giving answer number C. Maybe Kanak is still confused. Guys, you are going to appear in your board exam just after 2 months. Don't be confused. Don't stay confused. Okay, let me give you solution of this question. So the question is, if the difference of mode and median of a data is 24, listen, the difference of mode and median, mode minus median is given to you guys, right, which is 24. This information is given to you. We can call this 1. But we have to find here the difference, then the difference of median and mean will be what? The difference between median and mean will be what? We have to find out this. Very logical question. The student who have clarity of statistics and who know the formula, that empirical relation, you know the formula? Mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. This is the formula, minus 2 mean. Very logical question is this is. Okay, minus 2 mean. Guys, if this is 3 median, can we write this family as mode equals to, can we write this family as 2 median plus median? Can we write this as 2 median plus median minus 2 mean? Are you agreeing? Are you agreeing with me? If this is 3 median, so it can be splitted in this form, 2 median plus median, because 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 median plus 1 median, which is equals to 3. Now we can shift this median this side, because I want to find out the difference between mode. This is, can we shift this median? This is here mode. 2 median plus 2 mean, 2 median. So can we shift this median this side? Yes, we can. So this will be mode minus median will be equal to 2 median minus 2 mean. Wow. And look, mode minus median, you know this, which is 24. And can we take 2 common? So we can take 2 common. So it has become median minus mean. And we know we want the value of median minus mean. So we can shift this to this side. So 24 divided by 2 will be median minus mean. And which will be, this will cancel. So 24 is the correct answer. The difference between median and mean. 12 is correct answer. Connect. Yes. Next question, Krishna, 3 median equals to 2, very empirical formula, Krishna Ujjwal, option number A. Kanak, yeah, Kanak, I am using the same formula that you texted here. Okay, moving to question number 20. Look at question number 20, guys. Question number 20. Yeah, try this question, my dear champion. My Golu Molu Bacha kids. Try this question. Question number 20 for you. Read the question and draw the situation. Draw the diagram first. Draw the diagram. Read the question and draw the diagram. Okay. Read the question and draw the diagram. Okay. Now look at the question. If the center of a circle is 3, 5. Okay. So there is a circle. Wow, circle is again beautiful. Okay, so the center of a circle is 3, 5. So this is the center, my dear. And let's say call this O, 3, 5. Very good. And endpoints of a diameter are very good. So let's say this is the diameter, and this is point A, and this is point B, right? So the endpoints of a diameter are 4, 7. This is 4, 7, and this another endpoint is 2, y. My dear champion, if this is the diameter and O is the center, means O will be the midpoint of these 2 points. And if O will be the midpoint, so now we can apply the midpoint formula. Yes, and especially we can directly apply the midpoint formula for y coordinate, because we want to find out the value of y. So the 5 will be the mean of 7 and y, because this is the midpoint of y coordinate. 7 plus y divided by 2. You know the midpoint x is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y can be calculated by y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is called midpoint formula, right? So 5 to 10 here, 7 plus y, so y will be equal to 10 minus 7. I'm shifting this 7, so y is equal to 3. Where is option number A? Y is equals to 3. Some student is, spreading here rubbish. I think yes, I don't want to see such student who spread rubbish in comment section, because this is, we all are dedicatedly preparing for your board exams. Along with you guys, with you student, teachers are also working dedicatedly. We are working tirelessly for you, so that you can score good marks in your board exam. But still, few students are not serious. I don't know what happening with them. Okay. Very good, Krishna. Swati, so I have done the same. Yes, Aryan, I have done the same. I don't want such student in live session. Okay, moving to question number 21. I hope this is clear to you guys. So I have directly applied here midpoint formula, because this AB is the diameter and O is the center, because O is midpoint of diameter. We all know the center. Okay, so very good. So moving to question number 21. Yes, my dear champion Krishna, Aryan, Swati. Yes, you all are important for me. You all are awesome, super, and you guys are really doing great job here because you all are responding, you all are interacting with me frequently, and you know it just like I'm feeling very happy to see of you guys, your interaction, your engagement with you. Okay, so moving to question number 21 for you. Look at the question. This is age concept. So in age concept question in mathematics, always first let the present age, always keep it in mind. This is a short trick for to do the age concept question in maths. Always let the present age. First go through how many persons are here. So in this question the father's age is 6 times son. So there are 2 persons, father and son. How many persons are there? 2 persons, father and son. If there are 2 persons, so first let their present age. Let the present age of father be x years. Let the present age of son is y years. Then only you can write the equation comfortably. Without letting the present age, you cannot write the equation. And if you don't have equation, you cannot solve the value of x and y, right? So first Swati is answered C. Okay, Swati is answering rocking, very good Swati, stay blessed. Okay, the father's age is 6 times his present. So what I have suggested you guys, first let the present age. How many persons are here? 2 persons, father and son. Okay, so let, I'm solving from here, let the father's present age be x years, right? And let the son's present age be y years. See, my dear champion, this is MCQ type question. This is objective type question. So while you will be doing this question in your board exam, you don't require to solve this question on answer sheet. You can do these work at rough work or whatever the margin you will take at the page, right? So, but here I'm teaching you guys. So this is my responsibility to give you the clarity how I'm solving that's why I'm writing the equation. I'm writing this in explained form. Okay, so let the father's present age be x years. Now read the statement. Father's age is 6 times his son's age. And what is the father's age, present age? X years. So just reading the statement, the first statement, we can write the equation. Now ATQ, according to question, father's age is 6 times his son's age. So X is basically equals to 6y. This is the first equation. Because we have already supposed their present age is right. Now 4 years hence the age of the father will be 4 times his son's age. 4 years hence means after 4 years. So after 4 years father will also be x plus 4 years. And how old the son will be? Yeah, the son will also be y plus 4 years old, because son is also human being, father is also human being, right? So the increment of 4 years will be with both. Okay, so after 4 years the father's age will be, so x plus 4 will be what? 4 times 4 into son's age. So son will also be y plus 4. Can we solve this? X plus 4 is equals to 4y plus 16. Okay, so can we put this x, this first equation here? So at x we can put 6y equals to 4y, and I'm shifting this 4 that side, this 4 that side. So this will be 12. 16 minus 4 will be 12. Now 6y, we can shift this 4y this side. So we are getting 2y equals to 12. So y is basically equals to 6. This is the present age of son. And if y is 6, what will be x? X is equals to 6y. So we can write here 6 into 6. So x will be 36. So the father is of 36 years and the son is of 6 years. So yes, this option number C is correct. Who answered me option number C? Very good, very good. Swati answered C, Kanak answered C, Krishna is also answered C. Very good. Kanak, Swati, very good. Sir, hi sir, pani pee lijiye. Thank you, Krishna. Okay, so I hope you have understood the question. Okay, thank you so much for caring, guys. Okay, you all are awesome. You all are awesome. Yeah. Moving to question number 22. Look at the question here. Question number 22. Okay, connect. Yeah. So look at the question. Read the question carefully. Read the question calmly. Then solve. Then solve. QP is a tangent to a circle with center O at a point P. So QP is a tangent at point P, means that tangent is touching the circle at point P. Look at the statement. Sir, once more, Ujjwal Kumar. Once more, okay. No, I'm not feeling thirsty. Okay, so QP is a tangent to a circle with center O. So can we draw the diagram? This is circle, right? And QP is a tangent at point P. Means the point of contact is P here. Okay, so this is the tangent here. So we have to mark Q here, and this will be P. Because the question is saying QP is a tangent to a circle with center O. So let's say center O at a point P. So that point will be P, the point of contact. Some student will do some mistake here. Instead of writing Q here, they will write Q here, because you know in most of the question we generally so P is here and Q is here, but here you have to follow the language. According to language you have to draw the tangent. So the tangent is touching the circle at point P. Please make sure. Okay, and if we draw this center, if we join the center from point of contact, you all know this angle always equal to 90 degree. So what we have to find here, if triangle OPQ, okay, if triangle OPQ OPQ is an isosceles triangle. Very interesting question. So I have drawn this PQ a bit longer comparatively to OP, but assume this side will be equal to this side. OQ cannot be equal to OP and PQ because OQ is the hypotenuse, and you all know hypotenuse is generally the longest side of the triangle. So we cannot take OP is equal to this or OQ is equals to OP. We cannot. So which sides will be equal to each other? OP and PQ can be equal to each other. This is the possibility. But OQ cannot be equal to any one of these two sides, because OQ is that, you know, this is the hypotenuse. And you all know in right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. Right. So my dear champion, if OPQ has become an isosceles triangle, so this angle will be equal to this angle. This is the property of an isosceles triangle. In any isosceles triangle, if this side is equal to this side, so this angle will be equal to this angle. The angle at the equal sides, you know. And if this is the isosceles triangle, like this side is equal to this side, so which angle will be equal? This angle will be equal. This is not my own created theorem. This is the rule of triangle. So this is 90 and this is theta plus theta. Now in any triangle, the sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree. You all know angle sum property. So we can apply theta plus 90. This 90 is by theorem is equal to 180 by angle sum property. By using angle sum property, right? So theta plus theta will be 2 theta, and 90 we can shift that 90 that side, so this will be 180 minus 90 will be 90. So theta is equals to 45 degree. What we have to find here? Angle. This is angle. Angle OQR. Where is angle OQR? OQR is where is R? This is basically this. It should be P here. Okay, OQP. OQP, this is theta, and theta is equal to 45 degree. Which option will be correct? Option number B. Yes. Hi, Kanak. Yes. Who answered option number B? No, Joel. Option number B, 45 degree will be there. Yes. Now moving to question number, I hope you have understood it. Moving to question number 23. So here this is basically OQP, because by mistake I have taken R here, because R is not anywhere in this question. So basically this is OQP. OQP. We have to find out OQP. Moving to question number 23. Interesting question. Scary dad. What does it mean? Okay, so the answer is, look, answer is 45. Now do this question, guys. Very good. Now do this question, guys. Which option will be correct for this question? Which option will be correct of this question? Hi sir. Hi Scary. What is your real name? You don't look like Scary. Okay. Okay. So question number 23. So my dear champion, look at the question. This is a special question. Such question frequently coming in board examination, final board exam. This question, you know, this type of question frequently comes in board exam. Okay, so look at the question. So there is, if alpha and beta are the zeros and the quadratic polynomial is this. So the quadratic polynomial is x square minus x minus 4. Very good. But we have to find out the value of this whole family. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta and minus alpha beta. And alpha and beta are the zeros of this. So this family is very clear. This is the product of zeros. And we all know product of zeros is basically C by A. So we can find the value of alpha into beta easily. But the question is, the challenging thing is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So what we can do here, we can take LCM alpha into beta. So it will be, you know, beta will be here plus alpha. And this is, so look, now this is alpha plus beta, which is sum of root. And this is alpha into beta. So find out alpha plus beta here. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Where is minus 1? A is nothing, so A is here, A is 1, so this will be 1. So alpha plus beta is basically 1, right? Now find out alpha into beta. So alpha into beta will be C by A. C is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 by 1 will be minus 4. So we have alpha into beta is minus 4. Now you have alpha plus beta, you have alpha into beta. Now you can put these two values here. Yes, you are free to put the values. So alpha plus beta will be what? Only 1, right? Divided by alpha into beta is what? This is minus 4. Minus 4. Is it clear? Minus alpha into beta, again this is equal to minus 4. Now we can solve this. So this will be minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, and minus will be plus. Now take LCM. So LCM will be 4. So this will be minus 1 plus 4 for just 16. So minus 1 plus 16 will be what? 15 divided by 4. Answer 15 divided by 4. Option number A. Option number A. Yes, who answered option number A? Okay. Okay, option number A. Kanak is answered option number A. Very good. Okay. Very good. Scary answered option number A. Ujjwal, you answered option number B. No, Ujjwal, this is minus plus. And that is why we are getting the greater number in positive form. 16 is in positive form. So the final result will also go in positive form. So minus 15 by 4 will not be the answer. 15 by 4 will be the answer. Okay. Very good. Hi Arsh. Sir, okay, I'll be looking more handsome when you will get good marks, when you will get 95-97% in your board exam. Okay. Chalo, moving to question number 24. Yes, my dear champion. Moving to question number 4. Instead of texting, commenting such things, I think you should focus on question. Guys, very funny. Krishna. Krishna. Still, okay sir, Ujjwal. Yeah, do this question, assertion and reason based question. Very interesting. Very interesting question. Very good. Okay sir, we are ready. Yadav. Hi Yadav Ansh, how are you? You are late today? Again Jadu sir, you are late today. I don't know why. I was waiting for you for last 1.5 hours. Kanak. Okay. So, look at the question, my dear champion. So assertion and reason. The values of x are minus a by 2 and a for a quadratic equation. Means assertion is saying that minus a by 2 and a are the roots of this quadratic equation. So you have to verify whether these two are the roots of this quadratic equation or not. The assertion, the statement of assertion is correct or not, right or wrong. Okay. For quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, okay, for any quadratic equation, we use this formula, x equals to minus b plus minus, yes, this is obviously correct. This is called quadratic formula. I have already told you in previous question. This is the direct formula we can use to find out the zeros of any quadratic equation. So reason is absolutely correct. Now the thing is to verify the assertion. So let's verify the assertions. Okay, so how we can solve the assertion? Look, so x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. I am using this formula directly. So look, my dear champions, minus b. B is, where is b? B is a here. At the place of b, a is here. So minus a plus minus under root b square. So b square will be what? A square. Because at the place of b, you know, this is the general format of quadratic equation, right? So in this quadratic equation, at the place of b, a is there. At the place of a, 2 is there. At the place of c, minus a square is there. I hope this is clear to you, right? So a square minus 4 into a is what? A is 2, right? 2, and c is what? C is minus a square. Minus a square. Is it clear? Divided by 2a. 2a, a is what? 2. Now solve this. So this will be minus a plus minus under bracket. So this will be a square, and this minus into minus will be plus. And 4 to 8, a square divided by 4. My dear champion, now look at the root. Look at the root. 8a square plus 1a square. This will become 9a square. Yes, it will become 9a square. And you all know 9 is perfect square and a is also in a square form. So 9a square whole family is perfect square. So we can open the root. So this will be x equals to minus a plus minus. So this will be 3a divided by 4. I hope this is clear to you, because this is 9a square. And 9a square can be written as 3a. Now what we can do, first take positive sign. So this will be a plus 3a divided by 4. So this will be 4a divided by 4. 4 is 4 cancelled. So we are getting the first 0 is a. Now take the negative sign. So minus a, taking the negative sign, minus 3a divided by 4. So this is minus 3 minus this. This is here. First, so I have taken, oh, look, this is minus sign, okay. So minus a plus 3a, so this will be 2a. Sorry, my mistake, and this is 4. So 2 will divide 4, so we are getting a by 2. Now take minus sign, so minus a, this will be minus 4a divided by 4. 4 will be cancelled, so x is equals to minus a. So we are having two roots. X is equal to a by 2, and second is x is equals to minus a. But look at the assertion. X is minus a by 2 and the second 0 is a. We are getting x is a is in negative form and another root is positive form, which is a by 2. But here a by 2 is negative and only a is positive, which is wrong. So assertion is wrong, and the region is very silly. The sign, only difference is sign. Here a is minus, but here is a positive. Here a by 2 is positive, but here a by 2 is negative. So assertion is wrong, but the reason is correct, right? So assertion is wrong, reason is correct. Option number D is correct answer. Option number D is correct answer. Yes. Okay, so who answered option number D? Swati is very good, Swati. Okay. Yes, Krishna answered option number A. I don't know why, Krishna, you are confused. Don't worry, Krishna. You can try it again. Oh, very good. Ujjwal answered D. Scary answered D. Superb, guys. Yes. Okay. Very good. Moving to question number 25. Yes, now do this question. I know, I think you must be knowing, guys, the complementary relationship between trigonometric functions. You know this formula? Like sine theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta, cos theta can be written as sine 90 minus theta. So this is the complementary relationship between sine and cos. Similarly, there is complementary relationship between tan and cot. So tan theta can be written as cot 90 minus theta, and cot theta can also be written as tan 90 minus theta. I hope you all know this. And similarly for sec, we can write sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta, and cosec theta can be written as sec 90 minus theta. So basically this is the complementary relationship, and these are the pairs, sine cos, cos sec. Okay, very good. So this question is basically based on this complementary relationship. If you are having the clear concept of complementary relationship between tan and cot, this formula, using this formula, we can solve this question easily. Look, here tan 2a is equal to cot a plus 60. My dear champion, this is cot function and this is tan function, and both are equal to each other. If cot is there and tan is here, so we cannot write the angle equal to each other because both trigonometric functions are different. So what we have to do here, we have to make both trigonometric functions similar. So if there is cot, you can convert this cot in tan form, or you can convert this tan into cot form. So I'm going to convert this tan. So tan theta is what? Cot 90 minus theta. So this tan can be written as cot 90 minus 2a, because I'm considering this as theta. So tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. So we can replace this tan 2a is equals to 90 minus 2a, and we will keep this right hand side as it is. So now this is cot function and this is also cot function, and here is equal sign. So if this is cot and both are equal, then the angle must be equal to each other. Then only both the trigonometric functions can be equal to each other, right? So 90 minus 2a must be equal to a plus 60. Now can we shift this 60 this side and 2a that side, right? So I'm taking this 60 this side, so 90 minus 60 will be 30 and 2a will go that side, so this will be 3a. So 30 equals to 3a, so a will be 10. Right, what we have to find out? The value of a. So a is 10 degree. A is 10 degree. Yes. Very good. Who answered 10? Option number D. Very good. Yeah. Scary Surya. Surya naam hai mera. Very good. Okay. Yes, what your answer? Your answer is correct. Farhan Khan. Hi Farhan, how are you? Farhan, I hope you are good. Okay. Very good. Now moving to question number 26. Yes, question number 26. Hi Sanjay, how are you, man? Okay. Option number D. Yeah, Krishna. Option number D is correct. Now it's time to do question number 26. Now do this question. Try this question. Very easy. Question number 26. Sanjay, hi, hello Sanjay, how are you? Okay. Can you guys do this question? Question number 26. How sweet of you, everyone. Very good. If you guys are still worried in mathematics, don't worry, I'm here. But the condition is that you have to keep coming. You have to keep coming on channel and keep following my instruction, especially in mathematics. I'll give you complete clarity, concept, strategy, how the strategy you should follow before 1.5 months of your exam, and how you can solve the proof type question in trigonometry, what is the weightage this year, what kind of question that you will get in board exam. So everything I'll be giving you guys, but the condition is that you have to keep coming here. You have to come here. Okay. Very good. So look, some student is answering. Okay, let me give you the solution. The question is, there is an AP minus 5 by 2, 0 and 2 by 5 and so on. This is an AP. And we have to find out the 11th term. 11th term. Guys, you know, in that one-shot video of arithmetic progression, I have given you the detailed theory, detailed form of arithmetic progression. And I've told you that to find out any term in AP, if we are finding here 11th term, so the formula we need to write here A plus 10D. Always take one less. If we are finding 11th term, so we have to take 10D. If we are finding the 100th term, we have to take 99D. Keep it in mind. If we are finding the 5th term, we have to write out the formula A plus 4D. So here is 11th term, that's why I am writing A plus 10D. So A11, A is what? A is minus 5 plus 10 into D. How we can find out the D? D we can subtract this number from this, any preceding value from succeeding value, or we can also take these two pairs, these pairs. So 0, I'm taking this because this will make my calculation easier. 0 minus 5 by 2, so minus plus 5 by 2. So D is basically 5 by 2. So we can write here 5 by 2. Now solve this. 2 is cancelling by 2. So this is A11 is minus 5 plus 5 into 5 will be 25, right? So 5 is in negative form, but 25 is in positive form. So 20 will be the answer. Option number B. Option number B. Okay, option number B. What rubbish is going on here? Okay. Very good, my dear kids. So which option? Yeah, of course, Aryan, you are correct here. A plus 10D will be there. Yeah. Hi, Jenny, how are you? Very good. Nitesh, you guys are talking with each other, I think. Yeah, Amit. Amit, where were you? I'm back. Yes, Amit. Now, if you are back, so do this question. Question number 27 for you. Yes, my dear champion. Question number 27. Look at the question. Question number 27. So the question is, in the given figure, two tangents AB and AC are drawn to a circle with center O. Very good. Such that angle BAC, where is BAC? BAC. This angle BAC, this whole angle BAC, this is given to you guys. BAC, this whole angle is 120. You know guys, there is a special theorem. This is the exterior angle. If we join this point A, which is exterior to the circle from center, means this angle will divide into two equal parts. So if this whole angle is 120 degree, so what will be this? This will be 60 degree and this will be 60 degree. The line joining to the center to that exterior point divides the angle into two equal parts. Keep it in mind. So if this whole angle is 120 degree, so what will be half? 60 each. Now look, this is point of contact B and this is center O, means this will be radius, and if radius is connecting from point of contact, this will be angle 90 degree. You all know this is the theorem, the point of contact and the radius always make an angle 90 degree. So we are having a right angle triangle. Let's say I'm drawing a right angle triangle here from this. So this is 90 degree, B and A, and this angle will be 60 degree, half of 120, right? And this is O. What we have to find out? Then OA. We have to find out OA, and there are four options in the terms of AB. Means indirectly, we have to express the OA in the form of AB. So how we can form? So this is OA and this is AB. This is OA, this is AB. For 60 degree, this is 60 degree angle, guys. So for, I think 60 degree is not visible to you guys. So let me draw it again. So 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree. What happened? This side. Okay, this is 60 degree, guys. I hope now this is visible to you. So we have to deduce the relationship between OA and AB. So for 60 degree, this is hypotenuse, and for 60 degree, AB is base. So in which trigonometric functions the relation of base and hypotenuse is? This is cos theta. So we have to take cos 60 degree base, which is AB, divided by hypotenuse, which is OA, right? And we know cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to AB divided by OA. Can we cross multiply? So OA will be equal to 2AB. Any option is there? OA equals to 2AB. This is the correct option. Logical question. Okay. Yeah, Mehreen answered A. Superb. Sanchay answered A. Nitesh answered A. Swati answered A. Very good, guys. All the very best. My blessings are always with you. Superb. You guys are doing great job in maths. Superb. I'm really feeling proud, guys, because you all are responding well and so appreciating. Very good. So moving to question number 28. Look at question. Yeah, Amit. Answer is A. Yes. Now, look at question. Who is answered A? Mahi. Hi, Mahi. Welcome to Deeksha Vedantu's platform. See, my dear lovely kids, the student who is new and who has already subscribed the channel, very good. And who is new here, who is not subscribed the channel yet, please go and hit the subscribe button so that you can get advantage of this channel, because we are providing you complete academic solution for your board 2026, right? So we are fully committed for your board exam. So please keep coming, follow the channel and go through the recorded videos and everything, because we all the faculty members on Deeksha Vedantu tirelessly working for you guys, for your result, for your betterment, right? So moving to question number 28. So look at the question. The ratio of volumes of two cones with same radii is what? Very easy question. So there are two cones and the radii is same, right? The radius are same. Okay. And there is no information about height, means the height will be different. So can we write the ratio of volume? So V1, volume of first cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square h. So can we write V1 will be 1 by 3 pi r1 square h1, because we are talking about first cone, right? So the second cone V2 will be 1 by 3 pi r2 square h2, but we have to find out the ratio. So can we divide both? So if we are dividing both, 1 by 3 pi, 1 by 3 pi will be cancelled. And the interesting thing is radii is also same. So if the radius are same, so R1 ratio R2 will also cancel. So V1 by V2 we are getting H1 divided by H2. So the answer is H1 ratio H2. Option number 1. Very good. Amit, hi sis, how are you? You guys are talking with each other. Wow. Okay. Superb. So moving to question number 29. Very good, my dear champion. Okay. So my dear champion, see, if you are wasting your time in live session, so this is very, thinkable matter for you, because you all are wasting your time, guys. And the student who is aware, who is, really serious and who is doing the question with me, all the very best. You guys are really doing great job, because time is very precious, and nowadays the time that you are in, present time, is very crucial to you guys. So don't waste your time in some other things instead of wasting talking some extra thing. I think you should focus on question only, and if you're not able to do the question, you can see the solution how I'm doing the question, guys. So this is my humble request, and rest is on you guys. Whatever you want to do, you can, but you have to feel proud to your parents. You have to be crown of your mother's head, right? And you have to feel proud your mother, who is dedicatedly working for you, who is waking up early in the morning every day, who's waking, who is dedicatedly working, both your mother and father. So they are also expecting from you a lot, guys, and you all can do wonder. You have that kind of potential. You have to get that kind of spark. But please focus. Yes, focus on question only. Okay. Yes. So the question is, two different dice are tossed together. There are two dice. Everyone play Ludo. So the dice. Okay. There are two different dice are tossed together. What is the probability that the numbers on each die is even? Okay. So you know guys, if we are throwing two dice, so 6 to power n, 6 to power 2, 36. So if we are throwing two dices are together, so how many possible outcomes will be there? 36 possible outcomes will be there. Is it clear? But how we can write the possible outcomes? Let me give you the trick. So let's say there are two dice. Let's say first die is showing 1 and second dice is showing 1. First die is showing 1, second dice is showing 2. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and last this will be 1, 6. Similarly, for second line, first dice can show 2, and the second die will be 1, 2, 2. This can also be there. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, and this will also be the probable. Similarly, the first die can show 6 and second dice will be 1, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So how many possible outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 6, 36. But what will be the probability that the number on each die is even number? On each die, the numbers should be even. So how many probability are there? So this will eliminate because 1 is there. 1 is not even number. Okay. So 2 into we will count this because both are even number. We will count this, both are even number. We will count this, both are even number. In 3, there will not be any possible favorable condition because both the die should have even number. So for 3, we will ignore that 3. What about 4? In 4, there will be 4, 2, right? 4, 3, 4, 4, and 4, 6. Both are even. 4, 2 even, 4, 4 even, 4, 6 even, right? Now come on 5. 5 we will ignore because 5 is itself an odd number. So 5 will ignore. What about 6? In 6, this will be favorable, this will be favorable, and this will be favorable. How many favorable outcomes are there? 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. 9 possible outcomes. So 9 divided by how many total number of outcomes? 36. So 9 will cancel this. So 1 by 4 is the correct answer. Any option? Option number B. Option number B. Okay. Option number B. Who answered option number B? Okay, Ditesh answered option number B. Swati answered option number B. Very good, Swati. Mahi also answered option number B. Very good. Aryan also answered option number B. Okay. Very good, guys. All the very best. Who got correct answer? All the very best for you. Moving to question number 30. Now do this question. Very good. Question number 30 for you. Who is disturbing the class? Who is the big culprit here? Okay. Tej Pratap. Yes, Tej Pratap. Answer is B. Very good, Tej Pratap. All the very best. So this is my humble request. Don't spread rubbish. Don't do such comments, guys. You all are a student. So please leave your some positive impact. Yours positive impact on me, guys, because I'm giving you very important session for you. Okay, so moving to question number 30. Look at the question. So there is a quadratic equation and 4 options are there, and all the options are relatable to the nature of roots. So how we can find the nature of roots? Again, we will go to discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac, right? So can we find out b square? Where is b square? B is 4 root 3. 4 root 3 square minus 4. A is what? A is 3. And C is what? C is 4, right? Now solve this. So 4 square will be 16, under root 3 square will be 3. Minus 4 for 16, this is 48. So we are getting here 16, 3, 48, minus 48. Wow, we are getting D is 0. And if D is 0, it implies that 2 equal real roots will be there. When the discriminants are 0, means it implies that, okay. Yeah, I want answer from you guys. My answer is B. Nitesh answered B. Okay. Mahi answered C. Mahi, I think you made, unfortunately you made mistake. Okay. Yes. Yeah, Mahi, option number B. You might confused. Okay, no issues, it happens. So moving to question number 31 for you. Look at the question. I think this question will not require to use the pen. Without using the pen, you guys can give the answer of this question. Without using the pen. Okay, look at the question. Very easy question, but such question comes in board exam. That's why I brought this question here for you. Okay. Which option will be correct for this? So, which of the following is not the graph of a quadratic polynomial? Which of the following is not the graph? Means there are 4 options, there are 4 graphs given to you, and we have to find out the correct option, means the graph which is not showing the quadratic polynomial. Okay, so Santosh, hi Santosh. Santosh answered C, Aryan answered A, Mehreen answered D, Nitesh, no, it's C. Nitesh had changed the answer. Let's see. So my dear champion, let me give you the solution. See, this graph is opened, upward opening is there in U shape. If we bring this graph, if we imagine like this, so it depends, this nature depends on the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So it depends on A, whether the opening will be upward or downward. But this is quadratic equation, because if we move this U shape in downward direction, this U shape will cutting the x-axis at 2 points. So there will be 2 solutions. It implies that this is the quadratic equation. Simply if we move upward direction this way, so there will be 2 points. So this is also quadratic, this is also quadratic. But here this curve is intersecting the x at 3 points. 1, 2, 3. So how many solutions are there? 3 solutions are there, and 3 solution means cubic polynomial. So this graph is not representing the quadratic polynomial. This is representing the cubic polynomial, because there are 3 solutions, right? So this will not represent the graph of quadratic polynomial. I hope you got the point. No issues, my dear. Sir, subjective question का live कब लेंगे? Very soon. Abhinav, don't worry. We are working on that. Okay. Okay. Very good. Option number D. Tej Pratap, answer D. Very good. Should I move towards the next question? Question number 32 for you. Give me thumbs up. You guys are there. I'm waiting for your thumbs up. Yeah, give me thumbs up. You guys are there. You guys are really enjoying the session. You, my champion Golu Molu kids, you all are really enjoying the session. Show me your presence. Give me thumbs up. You are there. Aryan, yes sir. Swati, yes sir. Stay blessed, my dear kids. Stay sparkling. Okay, question number 32. Look at the question. Wow, Swati has thumbs up. Mahi is there. Aryan is there. Thank you, buddy. Thank you all. How sweet of you guys. Really. Superb. Very good. Now do this question. Okay, Mehreen, thank you. Okay, look at the question. Now the question is, see, this is interesting and conceptual question. You might confuse in this question. If you guys are able to do this question comfortably well, so very good, congratulations. But you might get confused. So let me give you the solution. Okay, let's wait. Who can give me the correct answer? Which will be the correct option here in this question? I'm waiting for your response. Okay. Sanjay, I think you should stop sending spam messages. All the messages you are sending is same. So I think you should stop that. Okay. Very good. Okay, superb. So which option will be correct? Sanjay, I'm requesting you again. Okay. Which option will be correct? Wow. Yes. No response, no answer. Is this question is troubling you guys? Is this question is really challenging? The difficult? No one has given me the answer yet. I'm waiting for your response. Okay. So let's do the question. Okay. Option D, Swati is there. Option number D. Can't say anything. Okay. Let's see. Just wait a little while, then you can judge yourself if your answer is correct or not. No issues. I will give you the correct answer. Mehreen is also writing answer number D. Can't say anything. Okay. What about others? So many students are watching. Tej Pratap is writing A. Oh, The competition has begun. Wow. Some of you is writing option number D, some of you is writing option number A. Where should I go? Where should I go? I will go to majority. Okay. Okay, option number B. Tej Pratap is also writing no solution. Kanak is writing option number B. Okay, some new option is there. I think it's A. Kanak is again writing B. Okay, let me give you the solution. Let's do. Okay, so the question is, if AM is equals to BL, this situation, this condition is given to you, right? Now, there are two linear equations. Okay, first linear equation is AX plus BY equals to C. Always make sure to shift this C this side, because the general form of any linear equation in two variable is this: AX plus BY plus C equals to 0. We can shift this C, so C will be negative. And this LX plus MY and N, we can shift N this side, equals to 0. Now compare the coefficients. So A1 by A2, we can compare A by L, will be A by L. Now B1 by B2, now B1 by B2, B by M, B by M. Okay, and C1 by C2 will be what? Minus C divided by minus N. So this will be cancelled here. So this is equal to C by N. So now you guys can see here, if this information was given to you, AM equals to BL. So we can modify this, we can write this information as what? A by, we can shift this L this side, A by L and B by M. And same situation we are getting here also. If we compare A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2. So A1 by A2 is A by L and B1 by B2 is what? B1 by B2 is what? B by M. And which this information is already provided in the question. So this is verifying. A by L, on comparing the coefficient, we are getting A by L equals to B by M. And as per the information provided in the question, this is also A by L equals to B by M. So both are verifying. So this is correct. But there is no information about C and N. We don't know C, we don't know N. Both are unknown value. So here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2, because we are not having any information about C and N. So we cannot say anything about C and N. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. And this situation arises when this is called parallel line. On graph, this is called parallel line. And if two linear equations are parallel, means no solution will be there. So which option will be correct? No solution. Who is correct? Let me see. Okay. Aryan Singh sir, जो आपको लग रहा है, I cannot do this like, because this is mathematics, buddy. Everything depends on concept. Sir, D ही होगा. Swati can't say. Yeah, can't say because we don't have the value of C and N. But we can also follow the no solution. So in these two options, we will prioritize no solution. Option number A. Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay, superb. Mahi is writing answer number A. Very good. Tej Pratap is also correct here. Mahi is also correct here. No issues, it happens. Moving to question number 33. Now do this question. Yes, do this question. Question number 33. Yes, Swati sir, ये भी तो हो सकता है C1 by C2 equal है. Yes, हो सकता, yeah, it can be, but we will prioritize that, no solution, because that is the reason why this information is provided to you. This information is provided to you. So this is verifying here, na? That is why we are calling this as no solution. A1 by A2 has become equal to B1 by B2, right? So this is the condition. Okay, moving to question number 33. Okay, moving to question number, yes, question number 33. Let's do the question. Okay, let's do the question. Question number 33. Which option will be correct this? Now try this question. Okay, try this question. Question number 33. Okay, which option will be correct? Let's do who will win the competition in this question 33. सर ये क्वेश्चन प्री बोर्ड्स में था बट आंसर डी था. लेट्स सी वी विल okay we will look into it again, no issues. Tej Pratap is writing answer number B, minus 4 by 25. Oh, okay, yes, which option will be correct? Okay, 33. सर पढ़ाई करने में मन नहीं लगता है, क्या करे? बड़ी कनक, you cannot even imagine how dedicatedly your father, your mother, your parents are paying fee for you. How dedicatedly your father is working at their workplace just to fulfill your needs, to give you standard life, to give you good education. Look at them, their dedication, their hard work, paying every day for you, and study for them. You should not have any kind of excuse. You're not studying for you only, right? Your life is not yours. So many people are connected to you. Study hard to make them good life ahead, my dear. Okay, I will talk to you in this topic. I'll come with some video on this, my dear champions, because this is the, I think, some concerns most of the student facing, I think. Yeah, yes sir, me too. Okay, this is the majority problem, I know. पढ़ाई में मन नहीं लगता. Okay, Swati, option number B. Mehreen is also answering option number B. Okay, look at the question. The question is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Oh, very good. So this is the zeros. 2x square minus 4x plus 5. Right? This is the quadratic polynomial. You all know this is A, this is B, and this is C. Right? But we have to find out the value of this. 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. How we can find out the value of this? Let me give you the solution. Can we take here LCM? So if we will take LCM, so this will be alpha square beta square, and beta square come here and alpha square will go there, right? So we can write this form, like we can also write this is alpha square plus beta square, and this alpha square into beta square can also be written as alpha into beta whole square. Now look, this is alpha square plus beta square, and this is alpha into beta square, right? So my dear champion, using this quadratic polynomial, the sum of roots alpha plus beta, we can write minus b by a. So minus b is already in negative form, and this is 2. So this will be positive 4 by 2, which will be 2, right? So we got alpha plus beta, which is equals to 2. And what will be alpha into beta? Alpha into beta will be c by a, which is 5 by 2. I hope you got the point. But we don't require alpha plus beta. We required alpha square plus beta square. So let me give you the solution. How you can find? Look, alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha square a square b square plus 2 alpha beta. This is algebraic identity. A plus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now we want this. We want this. So can we shift this whole this side? Right. So this is alpha plus beta whole square, and this family will come here. So this will be minus 2 alpha beta, and this is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Now this is alpha plus beta, which will be equal to 2. So we can write here 2 square minus 2 into alpha into beta, which is equals to 5 by 2. Right, which is equal to alpha square plus beta square. Can we cancel this 2? So 2 square will be 4, and this is minus 5 equals to alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square we got here minus 1. Now this value we will use here. Yes, alpha square plus beta square we will use that here. So this will be minus 1 and this is alpha into beta, which is equal to 5 by 2, and this is a square here, so 5 by 2 whole square will be what? Minus 1, and 5 by 2 square will be 25 by 4. We can shift 4 up, 4, and this is 5 square will be 25, so we are getting minus 4 by 25. Minus 4 by 25 is correct answer. Where is the option? Option number B. Who answered B? Compound success. Yes sir, we will walk. Yes sir. Okay. MD Ata Sham Kanak answered B. Very good Kanak, all the very best. Very good. Who answered B? Okay, Swati is correct and Marine is also correct here. Very good. Moving to question number 34. Try this question, guys. Try this question. Question number 34 for you. Interesting but easy. I think this question will require only one line. You can solve this question just in 1-2 lines. Only 1-2 lines. You all can get your answer just in 2 lines. This question required only 2 lines. Let's see who can give me the correct answer of this question. Let's see. Who is the topper of this class? Okay. Oh, compound sir, yes sir, we will work. Yes, you have to work. Obviously, you have to work. Okay, so question number 34. Okay, look at the question. Question is, tan 3x plus 30 is equals to 1. So if tan 3x plus 30 is equals to 1, my dear, if tan function is equal to 1, and this whole is the angle, 3x plus 10 is taking the position of angle, because always at any trigonometric function, the thing which is connected with trigonometric function is basically angle. Please keep it in mind. So if 10 is equal to 1, so what it has to be? It has to be 45 degree. Yes, because tan 45 is equal to 1. Are you getting my point? If 3x plus 30 must be 45, then only 10 will give you the value of 1, because we all know tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So that is the reason why we can write 3x plus 30 is equal to 45. So can we shift this 30 that side? So 3x will be 45 minus 30, which will be 15. So x we are getting here is 5. Where is 5? Where is 5 degree? First option. Yes. Who is giving me the first option? I'm waiting for your response, my dear champion. Where are you? Yeah. Moving to question number 35. 35 question. Question number 35. Okay. Moving to question number 35. Look at the question. The question is, can anyone give me the answer of this question? I'm waiting for your response. Can anyone? There are so many students are watching the live session. Kanak, Etasham, Compound Success, Prince, guys. Yeah. Can you guys solve this question? This question is from statistics, right? The question is, the mean weight of 9 students is 25. Okay, so there are 9 students and their mean weight is 25. If one more student is joined in the group, let me give you. If there are 9 students, means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x9. So the sum of observation, x1 plus x2 plus x9, there are 9 students, divided by 9. I am giving you the broad explanation, is equal to 25, because this is the mean. So what will be the sum of the weight of all these students till x9 will be what? 9, 5, 45, 4, 18, 20. So this will be x1 plus x2 plus till x9 will be 225. Hi Bhavya, how are you? Bhavya, where were you? Bhavya, kaise ho? I am fine Bhavya. Samrat answered A. Clear sir. Samrat is, yeah, Samrat, how are you Samrat? Clear sir, very good Samrat. Kanak, Samrat Singh, Tej Pratap. Sir, I am, very good. 25 kilogram. Okay, someone is writing answer number Oh, let's see. So there are 9 students. So sum of observation divided by observation is equals to mean 25. So what will be the sum of 9 students? The weight of 9 students, that will be 225. Now come. If one more student is added, if one more student is joined in the group, the mean is unaltered, then the weight of 10th student will be what? Okay. So one more student is adding in the group. So can we write here? We have to find the mean of 10 student. No worry. So x1 plus x2 plus dot what? x9 plus x10 divided by how many students are there? One more student is joined, so this will be 10, because here is 9 but here is 10, because one more student is added, and there will be some mean value, so I'm writing here x. So what will be the value? x1 plus x2 plus x9 till here this is 225. So 225 plus x10, we don't know x10 here, right? And this is what? 10 into x. So what will be x10? x10 will be 10x minus 225. Now you have to convert this value in numeric form. Let's do how you can. Okay, Ansuri, volume too low. Ansuri, my volume is too low. I'm clearly audible to you guys, just let me know. It's been so long, 2 hours, 33 minutes, and you guys are letting me know now. Am I clearly audible to you guys? Just let me know. Let me know, guys. Am I clearly audible to you? Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay. So, the mean of 9 students was given to you. So if the mean of 9 student is given to you, what will be the sum of weight of 9 student? That will be 225. If one more student is joined in the group, the mean is unaltered, and you have to find out the weight of 10th student. So x1 plus x2 plus till 10, and how many student? 10, and I'm taking x as mean here. So using this we can find the value of cubing master. Hi, how are you? Yes, 25 will be correct. Yes sir, all clear. Very good. Yes Swati, if all clear, so can I move ahead? Superb. Now moving to question number 36. Let's do this question. Yeah, now do this question. Try this question, guys. The first 4 terms of an AP is given. The first 4 terms. Okay, you have to find out the first 4 terms of the AP. And some information is given to you. First term is given to you and common difference is given to you. Very easy question. Yeah. Yes. I'm waiting for your response. Cubing master is answered C. Sanjay is answered A. I think Sanjay is answering of previous question. Okay, let's do. So my dear champion, we have to find out the first 4 terms of the AP. If the first term is minus 2, very good. So first term A is minus 2 and the common difference is also minus 2. Very good. Look, this is the first term and the common difference also minus 2. And we have to find out the first 4 terms. So, you know, first 4 term A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Right? For 4th term 3D will be there, for 3rd term 2D will be there, for 2nd term only 1D will be there, right? So what will be the first term? A is minus 2 itself. So is it clear? A plus D. If we add minus 2 plus minus 2, what will be getting here? So minus 2, this is first term, minus 2 and this is minus 2 and minus 2 will be minus 4. Now check which option is there. Now the first term is minus 2 and second term is minus 4. So this option has eliminated and this option has eliminated. Now the answer can be this and this, but it is not clear until we have 3rd term also. So 3rd term is minus 2 plus 2 into D is minus 2. Now solve this. So this will be minus 2 and 2 to the 4. Minus 4, this is minus 6. Which option? Minus 2, minus 4. Now we don't require to find out the 4th term. Please save your time because you have first term minus 2, you have second term minus 4, and you have third term minus 6. And which option is satisfying this condition? Only C, because here the third term is minus 8. So we don't require to find out the fourth term. You are now sure that the C will be the correct option. Yes, C will be the correct option. Yes, Tej Pratap, everyone is right here. Moving to question number 37. Very good. Okay. Superb. Very good, my dear lovely champions, my Golu Molu kids. Do this question. Question number 37. Okay. Try this question, my dear. Try this question. Okay. So, the question is, a single letter is selected at a random from the word probability. The probability word is itself there. And what will be the probability that the selected letter is vowel? You know vowel, A, E, I, O, U is called vowel, right? So, how many vowels are here? So, the vowels are 1 I, 2 I, A is there, O is there. How many vowels are here, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4 vowels are there. So my favorable outcome is 4. And how many total letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 by 11 is the correct answer. Option number C. 4 by 7 is correct answer. Four by 7 is correct answer. 4 by 11. Vowels, there are 4 vowels. Yes, I am waiting for others' response. Check it once, everyone. I am waiting for your others' response. I am waiting for others' response. Which option will be correct? We have to find out the vowel. How many vowels are here? How many vowels are here? I want to see the answer from others also, because this question is a bit tricky. Let's do others. I'm waiting for everyone. Try this question, everyone. Yes, Kanak, yeah. Yes. Which option will be correct? This question is tricky. Yeah, some trick is here. Try this question, everyone. Which option will be correct? I'm waiting for your response, everyone. Yeah. Yes, of course. We have to count the number of favorable outcomes. How many favorable outcomes are here? Tej Pratap is writing answer number. Saksham, how are you, Saksham? Where were you, Saksham? I was waiting for you. Now do this question, Saksham. Saksham, Kanak. Try this question, everyone. Yes. Saksham. Kanak, what is your answer? Yes. Superb. Yes, I don't know why you guys are confused. Swati, why you are confused? What do you want to ask, beta? Sir, I can't see the question. Why, guys, you can't see the question? Is this visible to you? Guys, the question is visible to you? Everyone? Okay, Sony. Hi, Sony. Yes, Swati. See, See, if you are selecting a letter randomly from probability, look, I'm selecting the number this way. Like, see, you are just, I have covered my eye this way and I'm selecting a letter from probability. This. So what is the probability of getting the letter, selected letter is a vowel. So I can select any eye from 2 eye. So the favorable outcome is 4, na? Yeah. I hope this is clear to you, Swati. As I'm selecting this, let's assume this, the word probability is made up of wooden pieces. The letter is of wooden pieces, and I'm saying you to select a random letter. So there are 2 eyes, so there is probability to getting eye. Okay. Okay. I hope. Swati, give me response. Give me response. Now the thing is clear. Now Swati is saying yes, sir. I don't know why, Swati. Swati, you are doing really great job. Okay, so 4 by 11. So I want to confirm from others. Yes, sir. Sir, बिना मैथ के G का एग्जाम. Are you joking, guys? बिना मैथ के, math is very important. Okay, so moving to question number 38. So you guys are there, you guys are aware, you guys are really enjoying the session. Give me thumbs up. Give me thumbs up. Shadow. Shadow, it's shadow, shadow. Wow. Okay, so moving to question number 38 for you. Who is giving Hello. Okay, so now question number 38. For what value of k the pair of linear equations this and this has infinite number of solution? You guys can do this question just in 3 seconds. Just in 3 seconds. Okay. Just in 3 seconds. What will be the answer? Let me give you the solution. So there are 2 linear equations. First is kx minus 4y. Can we shift 3 this side? Yes, minus 3. I always write any linear equation in general form. And second is 6x minus 12y, and this is 9, so this will be minus 9 equals to 0. And if the linear equations has infinite number of solution, so you know guys, if infinite number of solution is there, so a1 by a2 must be equal to b1 by b2 must be equal to c1 by c2. Yeah. Now use this formula. What is a here? A is k. Right. And what is a1? A1 is k, a2 is 6. Right. What is b1? B1 is minus 4. And what is b2? B2 is minus 12. Okay, what we have to find out here? The value of k. So minus minus will cancel, this will cancel 4, 3. Can we cross multiply? 3k equals to 6 because here is 1. So k we are getting here, k is 2. K is 2. Option number A is correct. Who answered option number A? Okay, option number, yes, option number, Swati answered option number A, very good. Hi, I'm Ifra. Hi Ifra, how are you Ifra? I hope you are great and you all are preparing your board exam with dedication. Mehreen answered A, very good Mehreen, you are doing great job. Tej Pratap also answered A. Okay, okay, very good. Tej Pratap is answered A. Kanak is also answered A. Very good. You guys are really awesome. Superb. Moving to question number 39. Now do this question. Do this question. Sub is writing something. Sub, don't go anywhere. It would be very nice of you if you will solve the question with me. Don't do anything for me. Please solve the question. Look at the question number 39. The question is, the top of 2 poles of height 20 meter and 40 meter are connected by a wire. Okay, so there are 2 poles. One is of height 20 meter, very good, and other is of height, okay, so one is, I can write this as 14 meter, because one is of 14 meter, so a smaller will be 14, right? So let's say this is 14 meter, right? And this is of 20 meter. And this is ground, right? Okay, this is ground here. Now, the top of 2 poles of height 20 meter, 14 meter are connected by a wire. Very good. The top is connected by a wire. So this is top. This is wire. So I am calling this point A and this point as B here. if the wire makes an angle 30 degree with the horizontal, so this is horizontal, so horizontal will also be here, and this is angle 30 degree, right my dear champion? With the horizontal, then the length of the wire, what will be the length of the wire? So we have to find out this, so I'm letting as x. My dear champion, if this hole is 20 meter and if this is 14 meter, so what will be this? 20 minus 14, right? 20 minus 14, which will be 6 meter. Is it clear? Because this hole is 20 and this is 14, so 14 will be here also, so 14 minus 20 minus 14 will be 6 meter. But we have to find out this x. Now you have to follow the angles instruction according to angle. For this 30 degree, this is perpendicular, and for this 30 degree, this is hypotenuse. So which trigonometric functions we should take here? Which trigonometric function? Sine, because sine will give you the relationship between perpendicular and hypotenuse, because we know only perpendicular and hypotenuse we have to find out. So we can write here sine 30. So sine 30 will be perpendicular, which is 6 meter, divided by hypotenuse, which is x. What is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2, which will be 6 by x. Can we cross multiply, guys? So this will be x into 12 meter. 12 meter is correct answer. So 12 meter is the length of the wire. 12 meter is the length of the wire. No, Ifra, Pythagoras will not apply Pythagoras here. We will apply the trigonometry. We will apply trigonometry. स्वाति सर आपसे मैसेज लेट जा रहा है, मे बी स्वाति मे बी देयर माइट सम नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम, ओके, सो दैट मे बी आई एम गेटिंग योर मैसेज इज लेट. ओके, वेरी गुड. मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 40. now turn to do questions from trigonometry. It's time for trigonometry now. Okay, the trigo which scares you a lot. I don't know why the 10th student feel trigonometry is scary. I don't know why, but this is interesting. The trigonometry, the complete trigonometry based on theory, identity and all. But yeah, trigonometry demands practice. Sanjay is writing no. Hypotenuse by perpendicular is cosec. The reciprocal of sine. Sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Swati is answering A. Very quick, Swati. Very good. Okay. Swati answered A. What about others? So let's do. So there is a trigonometric function in this form is given to you, and there is question mark. Means what will be the value of this whole family? So my dear champion, you know trigonometric identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to basically cosec square theta. I hope you all know this. No? Yes. So here we will use this formula here. Look here and here. So can we replace tan square theta, and this whole family will be replaced from sec square theta. Okay, plus cot square theta divided by this whole family, 1 plus cot square theta will be replaced by cosec square theta. Right? Is it clear till here? Everything is clear? Now, you know sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So if sec theta is 1 by cos theta, so sec square theta can also be written as 1 by cos square theta. Similarly, guys, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, a reciprocal of sine. So cosec square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta. So now change this. Tan square theta, this will be sin square theta divided by cos square theta. You all know tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. If square is there, so this both will go in square form. And sec square theta will be replaced by 1 by cos square theta. Plus this cot square theta, you know cot square theta is cos theta by sin theta, but square is here, so we will have to use square here. So cosec square theta will replace by 1 by sin square theta. Very good, very interesting. So cos square theta will cancel with this, sin square theta will cancel with this. So we are getting here sin square theta plus cos square theta, and this is itself our identity. Yes, sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. Answer. Which option is correct? Option number 1. Who answered me option number 1? Yeah. Yes, of course, Swati is correct here. Marine is also correct. Cubing, very good. Yes, Tej Pratap, we have used here the same identity you are writing here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Moving to 41 question. Now, time to do this question. Question number 31. Try this question here. Question number 31 for you. Okay. Hi Nitin, how are you? Nitin is so happy, I don't know why. He's feeling so happy. Okay, so do this question. So look at the question. The times in second taken by 150 athletes to run a 110 meter. Okay, so there is a class distribution table given to you. The number of athletes who completed the race less than 14.6 students. 6 seconds, sorry. 14.62 second. So this is time here basically. Beta, my dear champion, this is time and this is in second. Let me use red color. So this is time which is in second. In second, right? So this is 13.8 to 14 second, 14 to 14.8 second, 14.2 to 14.4 second, and this is the number of students. Okay, number of athletes, sorry. Okay, so we have to find out the number of athletes who ran for less than 14.6. So where is 14.6? This is 14.6. 14.4 to 14.6 is 71. So if we talk about less than 14.6, so whole frequency will come. This 14.6 to 13.8. So we have to add these 4. So if we add these 4, 4 to 6 plus 11, 11 plus 71, so we are getting 1 plus 1 to 7, 82 is correct answer. Option number C. Option number C is correct answer. Option number C. Swati is correct. Option number C. Nitin Kumar, hi Nitin, बढ़िया पढ़ाते हो भैया. Yeah, I'm dedicated for you guys, for you all. Yes, beta, because this channel is fully based on English. So unfortunately, I cannot help you anymore. But in mathematics, you can understand the theory, you can understand the logic and approach, how I'm solving the question, what approach I use, and everything. You can understand. Okay. Okay. No issues, no issues. If it happens, don't get demoralized. Don't demotivate yourself. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So option number C will be correct. Very good. Now can we move forward to the next question? Question number 42. Yeah, look at the question. Question number 42. So before doing this question, give me thumbs up. Show me your presence. You guys are there. You guys are there. You guys are there. Okay. Give me thumbs up. You guys are there. You all are enjoying this live session today. Okay, question number 42. So the question number 42 is, what happens to the value of cos theta when theta increases from 0 to 100? From 0 to 100, what happens? So, very easy solution. First, find the value of cos 0. Cos 0 is equals to 1. And if we go directly to cos 90, my dear, cos 90, so cos 90 is basically 0. Yes, cos 0 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. Cos 0 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. So it indicates that if we move from 0 to 90 degree, the value is decreasing and we are approaching towards 0. Now find the cos 30. What is cos 30, guys? Cos 30 is basically root 3 by 2. Yes. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. What will be the value of root 3? Root 3 by 2. This will be 1.732. The root 3 is 1.732 divided by 2. And 1.732 is smaller than 2. And if you divide a smaller value from 2, so you will get the result 0 point something, because you are dividing a smaller value from the greater one. Now come directly to cos 60. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And what is the value of cos 60? This will be 0.5. So cos 0 is 1. So we are in the value is decreasing and the value is decreasing 0.4 and the last value will be 0. So if we move from 0 to 90 degree, the cos theta decreases. So cos theta decreases from 1 to 0. This is the answer. Cos theta decreases from 1 to 0 because cos 0 is equal to 1 and cos 90 is equals to 0. I hope you have understood. Yes, I got the thumbs up from Nitish, Nitin Kumar, Mehreen, Tej Pratap. Swati answered A. Very good, Swati. As usual, you answered great. Okay. Komal Verma. Yes, Komal. Yeah, of course, because this is a live session and we are doing top 100 MCQ previous year question. We are doing top 100 previous year question. That will be very helpful for your exam. Yes, Tej Pratap. Thank you so much for showing love and affection. Thank you, Tej Pratap. Okay. Moving to question number 43. Do this question. Okay. Look at the question. Okay, again assertion in region, and this question is from AP, arithmetic progression. Now Komal, it's your turn. Do this question. Sanjay is writing answer number A. Both assertion in region are true and okay, let's do. Okay, let's do. Very good. Okay, so many students are watching the live session, but only few students are interacting with me. They are putting the comments frequently. Okay, look at the question. The question is, if nth term of an AP is 7 minus 4n, okay, then its common difference is minus 4. Very good. So let's check. So nth term is given here. The nth term is here. Nth term an is equal to 7 minus 4n. Okay, 7 minus 4n. So what will be an plus 1? Means if an is 7 minus 4n, so what will be an plus 1? Means I have to increase the n by 1. So we can write at the place of n, we can write n plus 1. So now solve. 7 minus 4n minus 4. So this will be 7 minus 4 will be 3 minus 4n. So this is an plus 1. Means this value is just next to this value. This is the preceding value and this will be the succeeding value. This is consecutive succeeding value. So how we can find the D? D, we always find D, we subtract the preceding value from succeeding one, right? So which is the succeeding value? An plus 1 minus an. So let's solve this question. So this will be 3 minus 4n minus this whole family. So 7 will go in negative form and minus 4 will go in positive form. So minus 4 plus 4n cancel. So D is 3 minus 7. We are getting minus 4. What is D here? D is minus 4. Very good. So if nth term of the AP is 7 minus 4n, the common difference will be minus 4. We have verified. And how we verified? We used this formula, and this is the region. Common difference of an AP is given by D equals to an plus 1 minus an. Yes, of course. By using this formula, we have verified the assertion. Means both are true and the region is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, so both assertion and region are true and the region is the correct explanation of option. So option number A is correct. Okay, Swati answered option number A. Very good. Tej Pratap, Komal is also answered A. Very good, guys. Great going, guys. Great going. Superb. Moving to question number 44. Do this question. Question number 44. Question number 44. So the question is, cos A is given to you and you have to find out the value of this whole family. 4 plus 4 10 square. So you require 10A, but cos A is given to you. So if cos A is given to you, which is equals to 2 by 5. So can we find, we can consider a triangle and we can consider angle A is here, angle A. So for cos, this will base by hypotenuse, So base is what, 2k, and hypotenuse we can consider 5k. Hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse, because cos is given to you. So, but we require 10, and 10 is what, perpendicular by base. So we require this perpendicular. We can take x. So what will be x here? X will be under root 5k square minus 2k square. We required perpendicular, right? So x will be 25 k square minus 4k square. So x will be what? X will be what? 25 minus 4 will be 21, right? 21k square. So x is basically what? Under root 21k. Okay, this is base by hypotenuse. Cos A is base by hypotenuse. So base is 2k and hypotenuse is k. So using Pythagoras theorem, we are finding the perpendicular because we required perpendicular because here is 10a. So x is under root 21k. Is it clear? Now come to the value. Now find the 10a here. So 10a is what? Perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is x, which is under root 21k by base, which is 2k. So k is cancelled with k, so we are getting under root 21 by 2. Now put the values here in this whole family. So this is 4 plus 4, 10 square a. So this is 4 plus 4, 10 square a, 10 square a. So under root 21 by 2 whole square, right? So this will be 4 plus 4, and under root 21 square will be only 21, and 2 square will be 4. So this 4 will cancel with this 4. So we are getting 4 plus 21, which is equals to 25. Which option? Option number D. So formula. No, this is not new. Yes, victory, Tej Pratap. This formula is not new. This is the trigonometric ratio. You know, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. I am using this both formula. I hope you know this formula. Okay. Legendary Rathod. Hi Rathod, how are you, man? My math exam went really good. Oh, thank you. Very good. This is all about your effort, your hard work. If you guys will keep doing hard work, you will get good result even in your final board exam also. So keep doing rock. Okay. So moving to question number 45. Yes. Yeah, D is correct answer, my dear champion. Who is answering D? Tej Pratap. Vada Pav wala? Vada Pav is also watching my live session. Very good. Shadow. Superb. Okay. Moving to question number 45. Look at the question. Okay. If A and B are two positive integers such that the least prime factor of A is 3, okay, so there are two positive integers A and B, right? A and B are two positive integers such that the least prime factor of A is 3, okay? The least prime factor of A is 3. If the least prime factor of A is 3, means A is, just listen, the least prime factor is 3, means A will be an odd number. A is an odd number. It implies that A is an odd number. Odd number, right? Odd number. It is clear because the least prime factor is 3. Okay, now again, the least prime factor of B is 5. Okay, so B is also an odd number. Yes, because least prime factor is what? 5. And if the least prime factor of B is 5, so B will be also an odd number. So this is odd, this is odd. And if we add both, you know guys, the addition of two odd number always give even number. If this is odd, and this is odd, so odd plus odd always gives you even number. An example, let me give you 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is an even number, but 3 and 5 is odd number. Getting my point? So A plus B, A is an odd number, B is an odd number, so their sum will be even number. And you know, if their sum will be even number, so what will be the least factor of A plus B? So the first value is 2 itself. 2 can divide 2. So 2 is the correct answer. Very good. Who is answered? Option number B. Okay, very good. Superb. Moving to question number 46. Look at the question, guys. You have to solve this question. Okay. Legendary Rathod. Tej Pratap is writing answer. You are giving me answer of C. Which question? Okay, you are giving answer number B will be there, guys. I think you might be confused. Go through the question again. Okay, no problem. Question number 46. So, my dear champion, one quadratic polynomial is given to you, root 3 x square minus 8x plus 4 root 3 equals to 0. right? And you have to find out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. So you are free to apply both method. You can apply here middle term splitting method, or you can follow the direct formula, quadratic formula. You are free to apply any formula, any method. Okay, any method. So can we apply quadratic formula directly? So x equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2r. Let's do the question. So x is equals to minus b. Where is b? Minus 8. This is already minus 8. Plus minus under root b square. B square means minus 8 square. Minus 8 square. Minus 4. What is a? A is root 3. Very good. A is root 3. What is c here? C is positive 4 root 3. Plus 4 root 3. And divided by, my dear kids, divided by 2a. 2 into a. A is what? A is what? A is root 3. No problem. A is root 3. Now solve. Mathematics is there here. So minus minus plus 8 will be there. Plus minus under root. Can we solve under root? So minus 8 square will be 64. And this minus 4 into 4, 16. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So 16 into 3 will be 48. 48. Divided by 2 root 3. Okay. So x is equal to plus minus 8 plus minus under root. 64 minus 48. What will be the result here? 64 minus 48. This will be 6 and this will be 5. So this is 16. And you all know under root 16 is equal to what? Under root 16 is equal to what? 4. So I'm writing here the final format. Let's write here. X equals to 8 plus minus under root 16 is 4 divided by 4 root 3. So we have the final format this. Now to find out the two zeros, first take positive sign, then take negative sign, right? So I'm taking positive sign first. 8 plus 4 divided by 2 root 3, right? So this will be 12 divided by 2 root 3. So 2 will cancel this 6. So this is 6 by root 3. Can we rationalize here? Root 3 into root 3. So x will be 6 root 3 and root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So this will cancel here. So 2 root 3 is the first zeros. 2 root 3. Where is 2 root 3? So this option, it can be, this option can be the answer, this or this, because 2 root 3 is here also, here also, here also. Now take negative sign. So x will be 8 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3. So 8 minus 4 will be 4 divided by 2 root 3. So 2 to 4 cancel. Now can we rationalize here? So root 3 will be multiplied in numerator and denominator. So x is here 2 root 3 and root 3 into root 3 will be 3, right? This root 3 into root 3 will be 3. We don't require to solve this because we are getting direct 2 by root 3. So we can keep as it is. X equals to 2 by root 3. First 0 and second 0 what? 2 root 3. Check the option. Which option will be correct? 2 by root 3, 2 root 3. Option number D. Option number D is correct answer. Yes. Yes, you can apply middle term splitting method. Don't worry. You are free to apply any method. If you are comfortable with middle term splitting method, just follow that. Yes. Tej Pratap. I hope you're clear. So option number D will be correct. Moving to question number 47. Okay. So my dear Golu Molu champion, do this question. Question number 47. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend a right angle at the center. Very good. So there is a circle and this is a chord here. Let's say this is AB. And this chord is subtending angle 90 degree. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. And this chord is subtending angle 90 degree at the center. Very good. So this is basically 90 degree. And you guys know, if in any triangle there is an angle which is equal to 90 degree, so that triangle will be right angle triangle. And if you have right angle triangle, you can apply Pythagoras theorem, because you have to find out the length of the chord, which is AB, and the side which is in front of 90 degree is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse will be equal to under root this side square, which is 10 square, plus this side square, which is 10 square. I am applying here Pythagoras by Pythagoras theorem, right? Now, so AB under root 10 square plus under root 10 square. Can we write 2 into 10 square? Yes, both are same. Don't make your calculation complex. If there may some shortcut method, apply shortcut method. Save your time. So AB will be under root 10 square will be under root 10 root 2 meter. Answer 10 root 2 meter. This is the answer. Centimeter, sorry, centimeter is this, so everything is centimeter. So 10 root 2. I hope you have understood it. I hope you have understood it. Okay. Sir, middle term splitting. Yes, my dear, we can apply middle term splitting. Let me show you. See, so for middle term splitting method, let me clear it first. So look, this is under root 3x square minus 8x plus root 4 root 3. So what we do? First multiply a from c. Multiply this. So what you are getting here? 4 root 3 into root 3. We are getting 4 into 3, which is equal to 4. Now find out the factor of 4, which will give you, whose multiplication will be 12, and on adding you can get 8 here because addition sign is there. So 6 and 2 will be there. Yes, 6 into 2 will be 12 and 6 plus 2 will be 8. So we can solve root 3 x square minus 8 can be split as 6 plus 2. Look, I am splitting the middle term. 4 root 3 equals to 0. So can we write root 3 x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 4 root 3 equals to 0. Now solve. Under root 3 and here is 6. Listen, there is trick. My dear champion, listen. Can we write this 6 as 2 into root 3 into root 3? Please confirm me. Yes, because root 3 into root 3 will give you 3 and 3 into 2 is 6. Is it clear? Yes, and this is minus 2x plus 4 root 3. You might be thinking, sir, why you are doing this? Because here is root 3. So that we can take common. So we can take common now root 3x. So x minus, we are taking root 3x. So we are getting minus 2 root 3 only, right? Now, if the first position is x, so in second bracket, the first position should also be x. Yes, both the brackets should be similar. Please keep it in mind. So we have to take common 2 here. Because if we will do common 2, so we'll be having only x here. And this is minus, we have taken 2 common, so this is minus 2 root 3 equals to 0. So the brackets are root 3x minus 2 and the another bracket is this equal to 0. Now we can keep this as 0. So root 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So x will be 2 by root 3. Wow. And on taking this as 0, x will be equal to 2 root 3. Look, this is the middle term splitting method. I have fulfilled your demand. I hope now this is clear. So you are free. If your mathematics is strong, your concept is clear, then you guys can apply any method. Your confidence should be on peak. You have each and every kind of, method you should have. You can apply any method. I hope this is clear to you. Yes, sir. Sir, thank you for your service. We have enjoyed the session and will welcome again if you stream. Of course, Sanjay, please keep coming on channel. We'll keep informing you guys. Sir, we thank you for your service. Okay, thank you, Vada Pav Wala. Okay, I hope, Komal, I hope your doubt is clear now. Let me know. Your doubt is clear. So I have solved this question by middle term splitting method. Okay, now question number 48. For finding the popular size of ready-made garment, which central tendency is used? Guys, in statistics, there are 3 central tendencies. Mean, mode and median, all are called central tendency. But for finding the popular size of a ready-made garment, if you go to any shop and if you want to find the popular size of a ready-made garment, like I want to have a t-shirt, I want to buy a t-shirt. So I go to the shop and I talk to shopkeeper. I demand him which t-shirt is most popular, just give me. So the t-shirt which is demanding by the customers, the t-shirt which is purchasing by the customers more, which is most demanding, whose frequency is most. So you all know the tendency which calculated on the basis of maximum frequency, that is mode. That is mode, right? So mode will be the correct answer. Yes, mode will be the correct answer. Surya, hi Surya. Yes, Surya, C will be the correct answer. Thank you, sir, for solving my doubt. Yes, Rathod. No issues, Rathod. Yeah, sorry, mode. Option number B. Yes, of course. Now, 14.9 question number. The sum of exponents of prime factorization, prime factor in the prime factorization of 196. So what will be the power of exponent of the prime factor? So 196 can be written as 2 into 7 into 2 into 7. I think so. 2 into 7 is 14. 14 into 2 is 28. And 28 into 7 will be 196. 28 into 7 will be 196. Yes. Okay. Sorry. 196. So how we can write here? This 2 will be 2 to power 2 and 7 will also written as 7 to power 2. So the sum of exponent of prime factor in the what will be the sum of these two? 2 is power 2, 7 is also power 2. So what will be the summation of these two? So 2 plus 2 will be 4. Answer is 4. Answer is 4B. Very easy question. Option number B. Very good, Rathod. Yeah, superb. Answer is 2. Surya. Yes, answer is 2. Moving to question number 50. Look at the question. Very interesting question. Yeah, I want to know the answer from you guys of this question. I think I should wait for 2-3 minutes for you. I want to see answer of this question from your side, guys. Don't worry, Rathod, don't worry. I'll be giving you a special session for 4 and 5 marker question. We are working on that. We are looking into it, so don't worry. We are fully committed for your board exam. Don't worry. We are here to resolve your each and every problem, your difficulty, whatever you are facing right away. Okay? Yes. Which option will be correct for this question? Yeah, very important question. But logical question is this. So just give me answer. I'm waiting the student who will be able to give me the correct answer of this question. Who is the topper of the session? The topper of the session can give me the correct answer of this question. Whose concept is clear in trigonometry, right? Let me wait for 1 minute extra. Okay. Surya, you're answering Surya A for this question or for previous question? For question number 50, just write down the question number also so that I can confirm. I could confirm, yeah. Please write down the question number also. Tej Pratap, option number A. Very good. Let's see the answer. Let me solve. Okay. The question is sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root cos theta. Right? This information is given to you. One equation is given to you. But we have to find out the value of tan theta. What will be the tan theta here? Only sin cos is there. But we have to find out the value of tan theta. So you know, guys, tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta. You know this formula? So if we divide this whole equation from cos theta, so dividing both sides by what? Cos theta. Let's check what will happen. So this will be sin theta by cos theta, right? And this will be cos theta. We are dividing this by itself cos theta, and this will be root cos theta, and we are dividing this also by cos theta. So cos theta cancelled here. Cos theta will give you 1 here, and sin by cos is basically tan theta. Wow, this is the identity. Sin by cos is tan theta, and here we are getting 1, and this is root 2. So root 2 and this 1 will go that side. Wow, answer root 2 minus 1. Option number A. Who answered option number A? Okay, for this question, Surya, if your answer was A, very good, yaar, bilkul. Of course, the answer will be A. Thank you so much, my Golu Molu kids, my 10th champion. Thank you so much for being in session till the end. And this is my humble request to you guys, just go through the live session again and try these questions by yourself. And this will boost up your confidence in mathematics, because I have brought up here the very important PYQs and most expected question for this year board exam. So, keep coming on channel and share with this channel, share with this video with your friends and with your, classmates and all. You can follow any method at all. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay sparkling. Bye bye. Take care, my dear lovely champions. Thank you so much. Bye bye.